your friend also. Boleh kongsi link. Hari ini kita akan buat perbincangan soalan percubaan SPM. Okay guys, so I will start with the paper 2. Okay, saya akan mula dengan kertas 2 lah. Okay, soalan 1 sampai 16 we will discuss. Then after that, if got time, kita akan bincang beberapa soalan objektif yang susah. Boleh? You guys like the plan? We will do paper 2 then go back to paper 1. After finish paper 2, kita bincang soalan-soalan susah lah dalam objektif. Alright? Guys, I will lah to you guys. But guys, when you ask like this, right? Kamu semua akan buka skema di sebelah kamu kan? Kalau saya bagi tahu apa negeri ni, kamu semua akan cari skema. Betul tak? Jawab secara jujur. You guys will find the schema, right? That's why you ask what negeri is it. Am I right? That's why I don't want to share, guys. Kalau saya bagi tahu, kamu takkan berfikir bila lihat soalan ni. Faham tak, guys? Maksud saya. If you guys know what paper is it, you see the question, you won't think how to solve the question. Kamu takkan fikir macam mana jawab soalan kalau ada skema di. You guys get me? So that's why I don't want lah. Today no quiz lah, Marcus. Today no quiz. Because our priority is kertas 2, paper 2. Okay? Alright, so start first. Oh, you know, Hakim negeri di bawah Bayu. Actually, over here I never show. It's okay. Alright, so we start with question 1, guys. Okay, so question 1, dia cakap pasal what? This is form 4, chapter 2, guys. Number basis. Okay, asas nombor. Alright? Okay. Guys, when I discuss every question, right, you must treat every single question as a possible question that might come out in SPM. Do you get me? Kamu kena anggap setiap soalan yang saya bincang sekarang adalah soalan yang kamu akan nampak dalam SPM matematik kamu. Boleh faham tak? Minda kena fikir macam tu sekarang. Setiap soalan ni boleh keluar dalam SPM. Sebab yang ni adalah soalan percubaan. Okay, this is trial question. So means that there is possibility to come out in SPM. So make sure you guys focus. Okay, hello Inshira. Selamat datang. Okay, so first question. They ask you to count the value of this number in base 5. Okay, very simple, guys. May I know? 40 base 5 minus 13 base 5. Apa jawapan dia, guys? Can you all tell me? What is your final answer? Come on. What is your answer? Jangan guna calculator. You must show working one. Because this one is paper 2. Okay, kertas 2 kena tunjuk jalan kira. So what's your answer? Anyone? Cepat. You must learn how to work fast, guys. Kena buat dengan pantas. Soalan macam ni. Yes. Okay, the answer is 22, guys. 22, guys. Okay, you should get 22 base 5. Alright? How to get 22? Okay. So now, okay, you have to analyze one by one. Kamu kena tengok yang paling kanan dulu, guys. You see the most right. 0 minus 3. Boleh tak, guys? Can we solve it? 0 tolak 3. Yes or no? Tak boleh kan? Cannot, right? So means that kamu kena pinjam, right? Okay, so pinjam minus 1. Macam biasa. Just a normal subtraction. Penolakan biasa. Then, kat sini kita akan bawa nombor apa, guys? May I know? What number you put? Yes. Okay, because it's base 5. Asas 5. So 5 plus 0, you have 5 lah. Kamu ada 5. Okay, so 5 minus 3, you have 2. 3 minus 1, you have 2. That's why jawapan dia yang ni lah. Boleh faham tak, guys? Do you guys understand how to get the answer? Straightforward lah. Okay? Okay, some people might ask, do I need to show working or not? Adakah saya perlu tunjuk jalan kira tak? Sebab soalan ni 1 markah sahaja berdasarkan skema. Okay, this is 1 mark, this is 2 mark. So what do you all think? Do I need to show working for this? Adakah saya perlu tunjuk jalan kira? Ataupun terus jawapan akhir? Which one? Working or final answer? Mana yang betul untuk soalan A? Yes. Okay, although 1 mark, it's better that you guys show working. Yes. Okay, kamu takkan hilang markah punya kalau kamu tulis extra. Okay, if you write extra, no problem. As long as whatever you write is correct. Apa yang tulis tu kena betul. Alright? Okay, so this is question A. Okay, question B. They ask you to state the value of P and Q. Nyatakan. Nyatakan maksudnya perlu jalan kira tak, guys? State. Whenever you see state, do I need to show working? Yes or no? No need. Tak perlu. Bila nampak nyatakan, tak perlu. Okay, tak kira apa-apa soalan dia. No matter what chapter, is still the same concept. Alright? Okay, so now, can you all tell me, what is the answer for P? Apa nilai P? Yang kamu boleh kenal pasti dari persamaan ni. So this is how you convert from base 3 to base 10. Okay, cara tukar asas 3 ke asas 10. So anyone? P value? What do you all get? Nilai P? Come on. Cepat. What do you all get for P value? Anyone? Yes. Okay, your P value will get 2, guys. Correct. Okay, so what you get 2? 10102 base 3. So yang ni adalah 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the position, guys. Kedudukan. So guys, you see digit 1 over here is position 2. Kedudukan kedua. So that's why their P here is 3 kuasa 2 lah. Okay, over here they never write number 1. Mereka tak tulis macam ni lah. Okay, something like this. 1 times 3 power 4 plus 1 times 3 square. Mereka tak tulis macam ni. They don't write the number 1. Because number 1 times anything is still the same number. Okay, nombor dia tak berubah kalau dah up 1. That's why dia tak tulis nombor 1 kat sini. Okay, you can see over here. Alright, so that's why P equal to 2. Okay, so what is your Q value, guys? Apa nilai Q dari sini? Yang ni senang. Very simple. What is Q value? Anyone? Siapa tahu? Apa nilai Q? Come on. Yes, very good. Okay, Q equal to 2. So P is 2, Q is also 2. Okay, so how to get 2? This is your last digit, guys. Ini adalah angka terakhir kamu. So of course, it will be the constant lah. Dia adalah pemalah. Okay, kamu takkan ada index ataupun asas 3 untuk nombor 2. You won't have the base 3. Okay, because it's 2 times 3 power 0. Yes, correct. Okay, so 3 power 0 is 1. 1. 1 biasanya kita takkan tulis sebab tak ada kesan. No effect. Okay, so we only write the number, which is 2. Tulis nombor saja. Okay, boleh guys? Do you understand? We already finished question 1. Kita sudah habis soalan 1. Understand lah? Okay, understand type 1, don't understand type 2. 1 faham, 2 tak faham. Come on, semua orang type. 1 atau 2? All 1 Okay, simple, right? Okay, so we go next one. Okay, so next one. This one is about your Form 5 Chapter 4. Am I right? Okay, percukaian. Okay, so now they ask you to count the property assessment tax. Okay, cukai pintu. Okay, guys. So now may I know this value 4%. Boleh saya tahu dia untuk berapa bulan? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Nilai 4% ni untuk berapa bulan? How many months? This 4%. Very good. Okay, always remember guys, this 4% is for 12 months or 1 year, 1 tahun. So you must take note bila buat pengiraan kena hati-hati dengan soalan. You must read carefully. Okay, over here they want half year, setengah tahun. Means that 1/2 year. Macam ni. So means that kamu kena ingat jawapan akhir yang kamu dapat kena bahagi 2. You must divide final answer by 2. Okay, because your value here is for 1 year, 1 tahun. Okay, so you can start count already. Okay, so over here, mereka cakap RM1400 for 1 month, sebulan. So guys, first step, kita kena buat apa? Kepada 1400 ni, what should we do? If the percentage is for year, means that the value also should also be for years. Yes. Okay, means that you must times 12 kali 12. Okay, then kali 4%. Am I right? 4% times 1400 times 12. Lepas tu kena buat apa guys? After that step, finally kena buat apa? Because sekarang mereka tanya setengah tahun, half year. So make sure, yes, bahagi 2. Okay, divide 2. So your answer will get something like this. Okay, this is your final answer. So total you have 3 marks. Okay, 3 markah. Alright. Okay, so over here, right, your final answer, if you want to write unit, lebih bagus. Okay, lebih bagus kalau tulis unit. Lebih selamat. Because whenever you deal with ringgit one, right, better to put the unit. RM. Don't just write 336. Jangan tulis yang ni saja. Dia ada risiko. Okay, if the schema is strict, you might lose the mark. Kamu akan hilang markah ni. So only you get 2 mark. Okay, so just make sure always whatever question in maths, just put the unit. Kalau letak unit, kamu pasti tak salah. Okay, you're always correct. Alright? Okay, so any problem? This question? Satu atau dua? Come on. Senang kan? Very simple, right? To understand. Okay, continue. Okay, question 3. Question 3 is about Form 4 Chapter 3. Penakulan logik. Am I right? Your logical reasoning. Banyak orang tak suka bab ni. A lot don't like. Because you must remember. Kena hafal. Okay. So the first question, they ask you to tell whether it's true or false. Benar atau palsu. Okay. So now, kamu kena kenal pasti kata kunci. So always remember your key word in the statement is and or. Okay? Dua ni adalah kata kunci. Dan atau. Kena ingat. Alright? So guys, so you check and see now lah. One by one. So 12.5 have 3 significant figures. Correct or wrong? 12.5 ada 3 angka berarti. Betul ke salah? Salah. Correct. Guys, significant figures. Okay, angka berarti. 1, 2, 5. 3 angka berarti. Okay, then see carefully. They never ask you decimal place. Okay, when they say titik perpuluhan, then it's 1 lah. Okay, but over here is significant figure. So 3. Okay, so next one. Correct or wrong? Yang ni. Betul ke salah? Guys, careful lah. Lower form. Yang ni tingkatan menengah rendah. Kamu belajar. Yes, this is false, guys. Ini adalah salah. Guys, 0.125. You have only 3 SF, guys. 3 angka berarti saja. Kosong, remember, dia tak dikira sebagai angka berarti. 0 is not significant when you have decimal. Okay, selalu ingat yang ni. Okay, just remember. Okay, so now, you got 1 true, 1 false. So may I know? End result. Jawapan akhir kamu dapat apa? Betul tambah salah. So what do you get? Under N. Bawah petua dan. So kamu dapat jawapan akhir apa? Yes. Okay, final answer is false, guys. Jawapan akhir adalah palsu. Okay, remember. For N, whenever you see false, at least one statement false, final answer also false. Very simple. Kamu nampak satu pernyataan dah salah, daripada 2 pernyataan, confirm final answer salah. Senang nak ingat. Do you guys understand? Nampak salah saja, satu pernyataan terus salah. Kamu jawab. Okay? For N lah, kalau kamu nampak perkataan dan. Okay? Alright, kita cuba soalan kedua pula. Okay, second one. 23 is a prime number. Betul ke tak, guys? Adakah 23 nombor perdana? Guys, every time I see true, false. Sama-sama, lagi orang nak nampak 23 is a prime number. Correct or wrong? May I know? Guys, you must remember, this chapter, they will always test you on the basic. Mereka akan uji konsep-konsep asas, matematik. So you must be strong. Like what is prime number? Apa nombor perdana? Guys, this is correct. Yang ni betul tau. 23 is a prime number. Why? Because 23 cannot be divided by any other number except itself and 1. So this is the characteristic of prime number. Dia hanya boleh dibahagi dengan 1 dan nombor itu sendiri. Kamu cubalah 23 boleh bagi 6 tak? Tak boleh. Ada decimal, ada perpuluhan. So tak boleh. Maksud saya dibahagi dengan tepat lah. You can divide exactly. Divide exactly means no remainder. Tak ada apa-apa baki. Okay? So may I know? 32, is it a prime number? 32. Is it correct or wrong? Bukan. Saya mula dengan K2. Lepas tu kita pergi K1. Lepas habis. Very good. Okay, this one is false, guys. Ini salah. Okay, 32 is not a prime number. Okay, 32 bukan nombor perdana. Because 32 boleh bahagi 2. 32 divide 2, you have no remainder. Tak ada baki. You get 16. So that's why salah. So now guys, 2 plus false. What is your final answer for this question? Yes. Selalu ingat, kalau kamu nampak atau, or, maksudnya jawapan akhir selalu benar. It's always correct when you see the word atau, or. Okay? Can understand? Dia opposite, berbanding dan. Dan kalau kamu nampak salah satu pernyataan salah, jawapan akhir salah. Atau kamu nampak satu pernyataan betul, jawapan akhir betul. Macam tu. Okay? Guys, trial ni negeri Sabah. Okay? Trial Sabah. Okay? Tahun saya takkan beritahu. Nanti kamu semua cari skema. Nanti tak mau fokus dah apa yang saya ajar. Betul? So kamu dah ada jawapan kat situ. I will just say this is Sabah. Okay? Soalan ni negeri Sabah. Tahun saya takkan bagi tahu. Okay? Alright, next one. Okay. So question 2. Kamu teka lah. Okay? So they ask you to write down conclusion. Tulis kesimpulan. So guys, may I know what is the answer? Apa jawapan akhir? You think and see. Cuba recall balik bentuk hujah kamu. Your form of argument. Okay, so 100 ialah integer positive, correct? Okay, so the answer is 100 is a positive integer. Ataupun 100 adalah integer positive. Okay, so guys, this is the format of if P then Q. Okay, atas ni if P then Q. Jika P maka Q. And then yang ni adalah P. Maksudnya yang ni adalah Q. Boleh faham? Masih ingat tak guys bentuk hujah kamu? Do you guys still remember? Hopefully you all remember. Okay, you must know how to write the statement or conclusion. Kena tahu cara tulis kesimpulan. Okay? Alright. Next one. Okay, so this one they ask you to make a conclusion. Okay, buat kesimpulan. So anyone? Oh, this one very easy lah guys. Mereka dah bagi kat kamu pola dia. So kamu tulis saja. So may I know what is your final answer? Question C. Got 2 marks guys. Kena ingat yang ni ada 2 markah. So make sure you give complete your answer. Jawapan kena lengkap. So anyone can write for me. In the correct format kena tulis jawapan dalam format betul. Kalau dia tanya kesimpulan induktif. Inductive conclusion. Anyone? Cepat. What is your answer? No. Guys, cannot write like that. You must write general formula. Okay? Don't continue the pattern. You must write a general formula. Okay? Kasih nak rumus am. Okay? Anyone? Siapa boleh bagi jawapan saya? Come on guys. Cepat. Yes. Very good. Okay. N square minus 5. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Okay. Kena tulis N kuasa 2 tolak 5 juga. Okay. Okay. So you must write like this. And then N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys. Take note benda sangat penting kat sini. Lepas akhir nombor 4 kan. Make sure kamu kena letak 3 titik. Faham tak? You must have 3 dots after your last number. Jangan tak tulis yang ni. Kalau tak tulis yang ni, salah. If you guys don't write the 3 dots, wrong. Although you write all this, still wrong. This is technique menjawab guys. Answering technique for inductive conclusion. Faham or not? Okay, skema akan nampak betul-betul. Yes. And make sure it is 3 dots. Only 3 titik sahaja. Kalau kamu letak 4 titik, lepas nombor 4, salah jawapan kamu. Totally wrong. Guys, you put 2 dots, kamu letak 2 titik, salah juga. Hanya 3. Only 3. I emphasize, saya dah tekankan. Hanya 3. You try lah Marcus. If you want to sengaja hilang markah, sebab kamu rasa diri kamu sangat hebat dah dalam matematik, tak apalah buang 1 markah, tak apa. Okay, kamu buatlah 6 titik. Oh, your teacher says 6 dots. But the schema over here, only 3 dots. 3 titik saja skema bagi. I think 3 dot is still safe. Schema only 3 dots. Okay? So you just put 3 dots. Okay? So these are your answers. Ini jawapan. Yes, better 3. Ya, kalau terlebih salah tau. Kalau pemeriksa nampak, kalau dia nampak lah jawapan kamu dengan teliti. Kalau dia strict, dia akan tolak. Tapi saya rasa semua pemeriksa pun akan ikut lah. Kalau seorang pemeriksa tolak markah untuk yang tu, semua pun akan ikut dah. Tak kira pemeriksa tu strict Atau macam mana? Kena tahu guys, you must know this info You can see the schema. Schema letak 3 titik saja. Only 3 dots. So make sure only 3. Okay? Alright. Better guna 3 dot. Yes, correct. Alright. Okay, so 1 or 2 guys. 1 atau 2. Boleh faham soalan ni? Masih okay kan? Alright. So continue. Okay, this one is your straight line guys. Yang ni topik form 3 chapter 9. Kalau tak silap, if not mistaken, lower form. Okay, so now they ask you to form the equation of straight line CE. Okay, bentuk persamaan garis lurus CE. Okay, so anyone? They tell you parallel, selari. So selari maksud dia apa guys? What is the meaning of parallel? First information yang kamu dapat. Anyone? Parallel means what? What can you get? Yes, kecerunan sama. Okay, your gradient is the same. M sama. Betul. Okay, so now you can already count the gradient of this line. Am I right? Kamu kira lah. Okay, yang ni titik 04. Okay, this one is 62. So kamu boleh kira. Okay, use the formula of gradient. Okay, so kamu akan dapat jawapan dia adalah negatif 1/3. Okay, so this is your gradient value, nilai M. So guys, may I know, untuk garis yang ni pula, apa kecerunan dia? What is the value of gradient? They say parallel. So means that, kamu salin sajalah, sebab sama kan? It's the same value. Yes. Okay, negative 1/3 also. Correct. So now, how do you form the equation? Macam mana bentuk persamaan? Okay, so first step, you must find the, tak boleh. Yes. Dia takkan terima. Guys, admits, kamu semua akan guna yang ni kan untuk bentuk persamaan garis lurus. Betul? Kamu semua akan terdorong untuk guna ni. You guys might try to use this one in maths because you guys learn this in maths. Cannot tak boleh. Sebab skema tak tunjuk yang tu. Okay, skema will only use y equal to mx plus c. Correct. Okay, hanya boleh yang ni tahu guys. Jangan campur maths masuk maths. Saya tahu kamu semua suka campur-campur. Tapi dalam peperiksaan tak boleh campur. Cannot mix. Okay? I know lah, Malaysian style, right guys? Malaysia punya keunikan. Nasi campur. Siapa pernah makan nasi campur? Semua pernah makan kan? Kamu campur kuah ni, campur kuah tu, campur. Minda pun dah campur. Sebab yang tu. So jangan kekalkan konsep campur tu kat sini. Tak boleh campur. Okay? Must add maths is maths, kena separate, asingkan. Add maths, maths. Sekarang baru terhibur semua. Kalau saya cakap macam ni baru terhibur. Okay. So now kamu kena gantikan coordinate. Am I right? So kamu gantilah 12,8. Okay, because you want to form CE line. Okay, persamaan CE. So x equal 12, y equal to 8, m equal to negative 1/3. So kamu boleh cari dah. Okay, nilai C kamu. Alright. So kamu akan dapat jawapan macam ni. Okay, so C equal to 12. Boleh? Senang kan? Very straightforward, right? Kamu buat macam ni pun dah 3 markah. 3 marks. Okay? So make sure kamu tunjukkan penggantian kamu. This step. Kena tunjuk kamu gantikan nilai XY. All the substitution of your coordinate gradient. So you must show the equation lah. Y equal to mx plus c. Jangan guna persamaan lain. Okay? Alright. So now, they ask you to find the x-intercept. Cari pintasan x. Okay guys, when you find x-intercept, what is your assumption? Apa anggapan kamu kalau nak cari pintasan x? Selalu kamu akan buat yang ni. Very often. So anyone? Kamu akan buat apa? Yes. Okay, you just let y equal to 0. Correct. Y sama dengan kosong saja tau. Sebab sekarang dia tanya pintasan x. Okay, so kamu buat satu saja. Alright. Okay, so y equal 0. Kamu selesaikan untuk x. Okay, so you will get x equal to 36. Okay. Yang ni pun 2 markah. 2 marks. Okay. Do you understand guys? Question 4. Senang kan? Masih boleh faham kan? Dah habis soalan keempat. Okay. So continue. Okay, this is also another lower form topic. Satu lagi soalan lower form. Bulatan. Okay, you guys still remember, right? This topic danger guys. Sebab ni bahaya untuk sesiapa yang ambil NMATS. Kenapa? Kamu semua belajar dalam NMATS kan? Form 5 bab 1, sukatan membulat. So boleh saya tanya, boleh tak kita guna rumus sukatan membulat untuk selesaikan soalan macam ni? Saya nak dengar orang ambil NMATS. All those take NMATS. Can we use NMATS formula to solve or not? For modern maths question. Cannot. Okay, different chapter also same concept. Tak boleh guna. Okay, kamu akan terdorong untuk guna. Because you guys very used to do NMATS question, right? You guys do a lot of NMATS question, buat sangat banyak sampai kamu nampak soalan modern maths pun nampak macam NMATS. Betul? You guys think like that. So make sure you guys must peka at that point of time what question you are doing. Okay? Alright. So now they ask you to find the perimeter. Okay, perimeter of the whole diagram means all this lah. Okay, kamu kena tambah 3. Alright, so first step, you must find the length. Okay, so you can use the ratio. Okay, so they already tell you this is 4. So guys, may I know, panjang OP, what is your length? Anyone? Panjang OP berapa? Kalau OQ 4, OP berapa? Yes, K4 also, because it is your radius, jejari. Jejari always will maintain constant 4. Okay? Alright, so now you must find this one. Kamu kena cari yang ni. So guys, this is called as arc, lengkok. So guys, do you all still remember your formula for length of arc? If you don't remember, you can always go in front and refer to the formula. Okay, just now I forget to show you guys what are the formulas given. Saya lupa tunjuk. Oh, dia ke atas. Never mind. It's okay. So actually it's given lah. Okay, rumus ni sebenarnya diberi. Okay, so you will have 2 pi r over 360. Sorry, not 2 pi r over 360. Theta over 360 times 2 pi r or 2 pi j. Boleh faham? Okay, so now, may I know, theta kamu ganti dengan apa guys? What do you substitute your theta? Anyone? Yes. Okay, sudut sector lah. Your angle of sector, 120. Okay, R kamu ganti dengan apa? What value for J? J atau R? Yes, 4 lah. Correct. Okay, now, pi. Pi kamu semua ganti nilai apa guys? May I know? What do you sub pi? Very good. Okay, remember, must use the value the question give. Jangan guna nilai rekaan kamu. Don't use the value in the calculator or 3.142. Kena ikut soalan. Okay, whenever question say, saya slow man. Oh, okay. Guys, yang lain selain Damia, saya ajar pantas ke selain Damia? Nak tanya. Kalau tak kalau nilai pi tak bagi, kamu tekan nilai pi dalam calculator. Faham tak? Shift pi. Kamu nampak kan simbol ni pi. So kamu guna nilai sebenar kalau soalan tak bagi. Kalau lagi slow tak sempat habis tau guys. That's why saya akan ada satu pace, kelajuan. I have to follow a certain pace. If not, we cannot discuss all question one. Okay? Alright. So perimeter. You can already find the answer. Okay, kamu boleh dapat. Okay, so you just need to use the formula, guna rumus, and then add up everything. Tambah semua. So then you will get the answer. Okay, your final answer, right, got actually many ways you can write. Kamu ada beberapa cara nak tulis. Okay, so first you can write it as improper fraction, pecahan tak wajar. You can write it as mixed number, nombor bercampur. Or you can write as decimal also can. Perpuluhan pun boleh. Tiga pun betul. Okay? Understand? But for me, I will prefer to write my answer as this one. Improper fraction. Pecahan tak wajar. Kenapa? Sebab nilai dia adalah paling tepat. Okay, it's the most accurate. Improper fraction always the most accurate. Example, 4 over 3 and also 1.33. Mana lebih tepat guys? Boleh kamu jawab. Kiri atau kanan? Which one is the more accurate one? 4 over 3 or 1.33? Yes, the 4 over 3, right? Betul. Dia bergantung kepada bab. It depends on the chapter. But generally, Kalau soalan macam ni, 4 SF lah. 4 angka bererti. Boleh dah. Okay, 4 significant figure. 4 tambah 2 kali. 4 tambah 2. Yes. Oh, sebab 2 jari kat sini. Dia nak perimeter seluruh wajah. So, tambah 4 lah. Okay. Tapi kalau kamu tak nak susah hati tentang bilangan tempat perpuluhan atau bilangan angka bererti, senang. Guna pecahan saja. Faham tak? Whenever you write fraction, you no need to think berapa, how many decimal place, how many significant figure. No need. You just write fraction. Very simple. Okay? If you can write as fraction lah. Kalau nombor tu boleh ditulis sebagai pecahan, kamu tulis. Kalau tak boleh, perpuluhan lah. Okay? Alright. So next one. Area of shaded region. Luas kawasan berlorek. Okay, so how do we find the area of shaded region? So kita akan guna konsep seluruh wajah tolak kawasan tidak berlorek. Betul? You take the whole area minus unshaded area. Okay, then you will get shaded region. Okay, so now this is area of sector. Am I right? Luas sector. So luas sector, your formula is theta over 360 times pi r square. So senang lah. You guys just substitute. Okay, so you must use the ratio here now. Okay, so they tell you OP to OR 5/3. So can anyone tell me OR? Apa nilai OR kat sini? Panjang ni adalah 4. So cuba guna nisbah ni bagi tahu kat saya. Apa nilai OR? Can anyone tell me? What is your answer for OR? 1.5. Okay, let me check. 1.5. Let me see. No, bukan 1.5. Yes. Okay, the answer is 2.4, guys. 2.4. Okay, so remember how to convert ratio to equation. Okay, it's something like this. Macam ni. Ini cara kamu tukar, guys. Okay. OP bahagi OR. Bila kamu nampak 2 titik tu, the 2 dots, you just put divide sign. Letak simbol bahagi. And then salin. OR. Okay, lepas tu equal 5/3. Okay, then kamu akan dapat jawapan dah. Salah guys. Let me count and see. 4 times 3/5. 2.4 guys. 2.4. Okay. So, kamu gantikanlah. OP adalah 4. Okay, so OR equal to 5/3. So, OR you will get 2.4. 2.4. Okay. Boleh? So now, kamu boleh selesaikan dah soalan. You can solve already. Okay, so you just take the whole sector, seluruh sector, formula ni, minus the other sector. Satu sector yang kecil. Okay, then you will get the answer already. Kamu akan dapat jawapan. Okay, this one right guys. The angle is actually 120 ya. Bukan 12. Yang ni salah. Okay, it's 120 degrees. Okay, take note. Okay, boleh faham guys? Do you guys understand how to do this question? Satu atau dua? May I know? Alia, soalan dah bagi tahu. 120. Okay? So boleh guys? Satu atau dua? 1 or 2? Do you guys understand? Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay, boleh ya? Okay, continue. Next one. Okay, so this chapter, your favorite lah guys. Kamu semua suka yang ni. Ubahan. Okay, Form 5 chapter 8. Yes, Priyashini. May I know what's your question that you want to ask? Whenever you guys type 2 means that definitely you guys got question lah. Want to ask me. So you guys just ask. Even if you guys like suddenly got a question, you guys just put in the chat box. I will help to reply. Kalau tiba-tiba muncul soalan dalam minda, kamu tanya saja. Oh. So yes. Oh, cannot understand B. Very simple. They ask you to find the shaded region. Am I right? So basically, may I know? Okay, I ask you a simple question. Is there any formula I can use to find this area? Yes or no? The blue color one. Do you know any formula in maths that can direct find that answer without any further calculation? Yes or no? Don't have, right? So means that you must use another concept. So the concept is you're taking the big area minus the small area. Can you see it? And both of these are sectors, two sectors. And sector, the formula is this one. So you apply the same formula for both sectors. Just that the value is different only. The radius value is different. Can you understand now? So this is how they get this answer over here. Can you see? They just apply the formula only. This is theta over 360 pi r square. Okay, and then they continue here. Theta over 360 pi r square. So the first equation, r is 4. Second, r is 2.4. Okay? All right. So next one. Okay, so for this one, variation, ubahan. So this is your Form 5, Chapter 1. So this one, usually the question won't be hard. Takkan susah. Okay, it's very straightforward one. Okay, so first step, of course, you must write out your variation. Kena tulis bentuk ubahan. Okay, so how? They say varies directly. So T varies directly, cube of U, kuasa 3U. So means that U cube. And then inversely, bila nampak songsang sahaja, must have fraction already. Kena ada pecahan. Okay, so you put divide. Square root of W, punca kuasa 2W. So, like this. Boleh faham guys? Macam mana saya dapat yang ni? This the basic lah. You must know how to get this variation first. Kamu kena tahu macam mana dapat ni. Boleh kan? Okay. So next step, after you guys get the variation, what will you do? May I know? What is your second step? Always the same process one. Proses dia sama. Bila dapat bentuk ubahan, then second step, sebelum kamu replace. Kamu kena tukar sesuatu dulu. You must change something. Yes, very good. Add the equal sign, guys. When you add equal sign, kena tambah K. What is K, guys? Yes, your pemala. Correct. Okay, constant. So always remember this. Then you guys can start to sub already. Okay, so now, how to know which one to sub? Okay, so of course, you want to find X, Y, Z. So of course, you use the one with all the information. Am I right? Then only you can find the K. Kamu pilih lajur yang ada semua info TUW supaya kamu boleh dapat K selepas gantikan yang lain. Contoh guys, let's say kamu pilih yang ni. Boleh tak saya cari K guys? Kalau saya pilih yang ni dulu untuk ganti. Yes or no? Can we get the constant? Cannot. Okay, because you have a Y here. Kamu ada Y. Then you have K. Two unknown. Dua pemboleh ubah tak tahu. So macam mana nak selesaikan? Cannot. In admaths or modern maths, you must only have one unknown. Then only you can solve. Okay? So that's why you choose the first one. So you can start to sub adilah. Okay, so when you sub, you will get K equal to 5 over 9 or 0.56. Okay, so then you just write out the equation again. So T equal to 5U cube over 9 square root W. Macam ni. Okay, now you can start to find your X, Y, Z. Okay, so you just use all these three column. Guna ketiga-tiga info ni to find your X, Y, Z. Okay, ganti saja satu per satu. Okay, just start one by one and solve. Okay, so you already get the answer. Boleh faham? You guys understand how to do? Senang kan? Very straightforward, right? Just make sure you guys don't make careless mistake lah when count the final answer. Jangan buat kesilapan yang cuai. Then your answer definitely correct already. Yes, senang nak score 4 markah ni. Very simple. Okay? Alright. So next one. Next question, they are talking about your set. Form 4, Chapter 4, guys. Who don't like this chapter? Siapa tak suka bab ni? Berkaitan set. Set ni sangat famous lah. SPM paper 2, guys. Oh, you don't like? Okay, so now is the time for you guys to understand. Yes, sumpah easy, guys. It's easy. Easy to score one. Dia suka tanya kat banyak-banyak section. Section A boleh keluar, B boleh keluar, C pun boleh keluar. Every single section, this kind of question can come. So you must be prepared. Okay? Alright. So they ask you to complete the Venn diagram. Okay, in the answer space. Means this one. Kamu kena lengkapkan yang ni. Okay. So they want you to show the relationship between P, Q, and R. Tunjuk hubungan. Okay, so first step, you must try to identify what is common. Kamu lihat apa yang serupa, guys. Okay, you compare. P, you compare with R. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the relationship between P and R that you can see? Apa hubungan kamu boleh kenal pasti antara P dan R? Yes. Pen. One more. Satu lagi. What is serupa? Yes. Very good. Okay, guys. So now, what is the symbol you guys use? Apa simbol kamu guna? Kalau kamu nampak dua perkara serupa kat sini. Yes. Very good. R is a subset of P, guys. Can you see? R tu adalah subset. Subset maksudnya set yang lebih kecil. A smaller set. So R will come inside the P. P is a large circle. R is a smaller circle inside it. Bulatan lebih kecil. Alright? Okay, so now, may I know, if I write like this, guys, adakah jawapan saya betul tak? R intercept P. Is it correct? R intercept P means that they have common element. Mereka ada elemen serupa. Boleh tak kalau saya tulis macam ni? Anyone? Think and see. Yes or no? Is it a correct way to write? Adakah dia satu cara yang betul? Anyone? Yes or no? What do you all think? Yes, also correct. Both of these are correct. Dua-dua ni betul. Okay, depend on your preference which one you want to write. Okay? It actually means the same thing. But dia bawa maksud benda sama. Okay, now you settle R already. Now you must check Q, guys. Okay, so P and Q. Is there any similarity? Yes or no? Adakah kamu nampak apa-apa persamaan antara P and Q? Yes. Okay, confirm got. Okay, you can see ruler. You can see eraser. Two. Dua ni serupa. So guys, this one also mean intersect. Silang. Am I right? So it's P intercept Q. P silang Q. But guys, can I say Q subset P? Betul ke tak? Kalau saya tulis macam ni. Is it correct? Q subset P or P subset Q? Boleh tak? Saya tulis macam ni. This one. Okay, is it the same like just now? This case over here? What do you all think? Boleh ke tak? Anyone? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya buat anggapan macam ni? Q is a subset of P or P is subset of Q? Cannot. Tak boleh. So guys, you must see carefully. Okay, can you see Q? It has some elements that P don't have. Am I right? Example, novel. Novel ada kat Q. P tak ada novel. So how you can say Q is subset of P? Cannot. Tak boleh. Okay, then you check P. P got pen. Q don't have pen. So you cannot say this also. P is not subset of Q. So we can only say intersect. Silang. Okay, because they have some common element. Ada setengah elemen serupa. Tapi bukan semua elemen serupa. Itu perbezaan subset dan juga silang. Okay? So you can draw your Venn diagram something like this. Okay? So this is your Venn diagram. Okay, this is for question A lah. Okay, and then question B, they ask you to shade the region that satisfy P intercept Q. P intercept Q means kat sini lah. Okay, where they silang. Kat mana mereka silang. Boleh faham guys? Do you understand? So this is the question lah. 4 markah. 4 marks. Senang kan? Simple, right? So this is how you score. That's why I say guys, set susah ke tak? Senang saja. For those things set very hard, right? It's actually easy to score mark. Senang saja. As long as you guys analyze correctly, you will get the answer. Okay? Alright. So now we come to another Form 4 topic. Satu lagi bab tingkatan 4. Form 4 chapter 5. Okay, your network in graph theory. So guys, who don't like this chapter? Siapa tak suka rangkaian dalam teori graph? Yang ni ada banyak soalan yang dia boleh tanya juga. A lot of question. Especially when they ask you to find the shortest distance. Am I right? Cari jarak terpendek. That's the famous question for this chapter. Okay, but over here, they never talk about that lah. Okay, so they ask you to draw a simple graph. Graph mudah. So anyone? This one? You can draw any way you like. Am I right? Kamu boleh lukis macam mana kamu nak. So guys, can anyone tell me what is the characteristic of a simple graph? Apa ciri-ciri graf mudah? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Who still remember what is a characteristic of a simple graph? Very good. No loops. Okay, tak ada gelong. Yes. No multiple edges. Tak ada berbilang tepi. One more. Ada satu lagi. One more characteristic of simple graph. Total ada 3. There is 3. Usually you guys will tell me 2. These 2. No. It's not that one. Actually can also, but it's not the main characteristic. Okay, Darshini close already. Something about the age. Everything must be connected. Too general. Okay, guys, I give you a hint lah. What is the formula that connect the sum of degree of vertex to number of edge? Can anyone tell me? Apa rumus yang menghubungkan hasil tambah darjah dengan bilangan tepi? Cuba type kat saya. Apa rumus tu? Complete guys. I must see complete. Okay, I think I understand lah. You mean 2e, right? Means 2 times the number of edges. Yes. Okay, this is a third characteristic guys. Ini adalah ciri ketiga untuk graf mudah. Ingat. Okay, remember these 3 characteristics. Sometimes I got see they ask in objective kertas 1. Okay, you must know what are the characteristics. Okay, sometimes they'll ask you which is not the characteristic of a simple graph. Apa bukan ciri-ciri graf mudah. So kamu kena pilih lah. Okay, you must choose A, B, C, D. Okay, alright. So you can draw it any way you like. Okay, no restriction, tak ada halangan. So example, your answer can look like this. Okay, you can draw something like this. Alright. Boleh lukis macam ni. Any way you guys like. Tak kira apa-apa pun boleh. Okay, this is not fixed guys. Ini bukan jawapan saja. There are many answers. Okay, boleh guys? Simple right? You guys just follow only PQ, PR, QR, QS. So you just connect everything with the edges. Okay? Alright. So now, question B. They ask you to draw subgraph guys. So may I know, what is the meaning of subgraph? Apa maksud subgraph yang kamu faham? Think and see. What is subgraph? So they ask you to draw a subgraph here. Yes. Actually, it's not half. It's just part of the original graph. Okay, dia sebahagian daripada graph asal. Yes. Okay. So you can again draw any way you like. Okay, ada banyak possible jawapan guys. Okay, so example of answer is like this. Okay, can you see here guys? Terima jawapan lain yang munasabah except other possible answer. So this is just suggestion. Cadangan saja. So can you see these graphs are like a part of the original graph? Dia sebahagian. So this is how you get the answer. Okay, make sure you guys label the edges also. Kalau kamu tak label yang ni, mungkin kamu akan dapat salah. You might get wrong. Okay, because you never copy and paste the diagram. Basically, subgraph means you copy and paste. Everything they write there, you write back in the answer. Don't leave out anything. Jangan tinggal apa-apa. Okay? Understand guys? This question? Boleh faham soalan 8? Kita dah habis soalan 8. Okay, continue Soalan 9. Okay, guys. Your favorite chapter. This one is your Form 4 Chapter 8 guys. Kamu semua suka tak yang ni? Measure of dispersion of ungrouped data. This one is like to ask also. Yang ni suka. Sebab dia senang. Easy to score. How about, what do you mean the size? I don't understand. How about size? Which size? Size. Oh, you mean this one, is it? The graph. Size, don't worry lah guys. If you draw bigger than original or smaller than original, it's okay one. They won't be so particular. Mereka takkan nampak macam mana skala kamu lukis dua subgraph ni berbanding graph asal. Tak. Mereka tak judge berdasarkan yang tu. Later ada soalan. Kamu boleh lihat. Saya akan bincang. Yes. It depends. Of course, you draw logic lah guys. Okay, the size of your subgraph that you draw must be logic. Okay? Because you guys are not doing computer. Am I right? Kalau guna computer, kamu boleh terus copy paste. Am I right? Kamu potong benda tak nak, ambil yang tu, copy paste, answer. But guys, kamu jawab SPM guna komputer atau tangan? Boleh saya tahu? Do you guys use computer to answer SPM? No, right? Tak guna kan? You guys use manual, right? So manual of course cannot be perfect lah. Okay, manual of course dia akan tak sempurna. So it doesn't matter. Alright? Okay, so now, may I know guys, what is the range for this question? Apa julat? Come on. Cepat. Range. Very simple. Anyone? Yes, very good. Okay, answer is 17. Highest minus lowest. Okay, tertinggi tolak terendah. 25 minus 8, 17. Okay, so now, what is your interquartile range? Apa julat antara kuartil? Anyone? Okay, so may I know, can we determine the interquartile range directly from here? Yes or no? Boleh tak kita lihat terus julat antara kuartil dari sini? Yes. Remember guys, whenever you talk about interquartile range, you must arrange according to ascending order. Kena susun ikut urutan menaik dulu. Then only you guys can compare. Okay? Always remember this. Ascending order first. Okay, so now you start to cut. Boleh guna kaedah ni. Potong. Cari median dulu. Okay, median. Q2. Okay, how to find Q1? Q1 kat sebelah kiri. Am I right? So you continue potong lah. Okay, so this is your Q1. And then potong sebelah kanan. This is your Q3. So interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. 24 minus 11. So that's why jawapan dia 13. Okay, this is the answer. 3 markah. 3 marks. Okay? Can understand? Clear, right? Soalan ke-9. Okay, so 1 or 2? 1 atau 2 sampai sekarang. Sebelum saya pergi soalan terakhir bagi bahagian A. So this is the last question lah for section A, number 10. Cepat kan guys? You can see right guys, section A you see how long I take to discuss? 1 hour, 1 jam. Maksudnya, bila kamu buat soalan pun kena at least maximum 1 jam. Kalau boleh, lebih cepat. Okay? If you can do faster than 1 hour, better. So that you guys got more time for the rest. Lagi soalan yang lebih panjang. Okay? Alright. So now, they ask you to find the volume of cold water. Isi padu air sejuk. Okay, so they already say it's cylinder. So guys, cylinder. May I know what is the formula for volume of cylinder? Anyone? Isi padu cylinder. Kamu kena ingat tau. You must remember. So anyone? Volume of cylinder. Come on. Apa rumus dia? Wow. So fancy, your word. Correct. Pi r square h. I understand. Got h, guys? Remember? Okay, correct. Pi r square h. Okay, so now you must first count the volume of water inside here. Kamu kena cari isi padu yang ni untuk tentukan jumlah isi padu yang akan datang ke sini. Okay, you must find the original first. So original, you must find the volume of the container lah. Okay, cari isi padu kotak. Okay, so they already tell you it is a square base, guys. Okay, tapak yang segi 4 sama. So means that this one also is 56. Okay, kedua-dua sisi adalah 56. So to find the volume, you guys just times everything lah, kali semua. Okay, then you will get the volume. 56 times 56 times 30 volume. Okay, first step. Second step, what you guys must do? You must find the volume of the container. Am I right? Kamu kena cari isi padu bekas. So pi r. Okay, so they tell you diameter 5. So may I know radius how much, guys? Apa jejari dia? Kalau diameter 5, what is your radius? Anyone? Yes, 2.5 pi r square. H, 12. Okay, so you already find the value. Now, okay, so what will be the final step? Langkah terakhir. So they ask you volume of cold water that needs to be filled to fill the container space. Okay, so now they tell you got 242 can, 242 can macam ni. So kena darab lah 242 pada isi padu yang tu. Okay, so now kita akan buat operasi apa, guys? What is the operation we will do now? They ask the volume of cold water need to be filled to the container. Maksudnya berapa kena tambah lagi kat sini? Anyone? What is the operation now? Kita guna tambah, tolak, darab atau bahagi? Which one? Antara dua rumus ni. What is the operation we use? Anyone? Cuba fikir. Apa operasi kita guna sekarang? Come on guys. Apa jawapan kamu? Are you sure? Guys, first step, you guys must count and compare both the values. Bandingkan dua nilai. One definitely will be higher, one definitely will be lower. Satu akan lebih tinggi, satu lebih kurang. Yes. Okay, you must minus guys. Then only you know how much water left to fill back into the container over here. Am I right? Kamu tahu berapa yang baki. So that is the concept over here. Okay, so you just need to minus these two values. Okay, tolak saja. Then you will get the answer. Okay, boleh dapat? Do you guys understand? 4 marks, 4 markah. Okay, senang kan? Very simple. Okay, so now we already finish section A lah. Dah habis bahagian A. Okay, so now you come to the most important part of paper 2. Bahagian paling penting kertas 2, kamu tahu apa tak guys? Do you guys know which is the most important section in paper 2? Is section B guys. Bahagian yang akan menentukan grade kamu dalam SPM apa? Bahagian B. Kenapa? Sebab 45 markah guys. Jangan main-main. 45 marks you know. Total mark is 100. 45 mark is already almost half you know of your total mark. Setengah dah. So guys, that's why section B very important. Sangat penting. Banyak markah. A lot. And the question is usually related. Soalan dia berhubung. So you must know how to do. Okay? Alright. So for this question, they are talking about come Adila guys. Siapa tak suka bab ni? Form 5 chapter 6. 3 go. This chapter. Bab ni guys. You guys must master one. Kena master. You have to know. Because they like to ask paper 2. Kalau tak suka pun kena suka. You guys must try to love it. Okay? Because you can see here how many marks. 9 markah tau guys. One question. 9 marks. Banyak. Okay? Alright, so now they ask you to plot and draw the graph. Okay. So mereka suruh lukis graph. So guys, when they say draw graph, must I use graph paper? Yes or no? Bila cakap lukis, kena guna kertas graph atau tak? Yes. Okay, remember, whenever they say draw, must use graph paper. Kena guna. So they will give you in the exam. Mereka akan bagi. Jangan risau. Okay, so you just need to plot all the points. 1, 2, 5. Okay, 5 titik. Kamu kena plot. Okay, so when you plot, you will get something like this. Okay, graph kamu akan nampak macam ni. Alright? Okay, so guys, when you see the shape itself, may I know what type of graph is this? Anyone? Apa jenis graph ni? Mathematic. Ini mathematic modern. Yes, sine graph. Okay? You can see the shape. It looks like a sine graph. Am I right? S shape. Macam mana kenal fungsi sine? S shape. It look like S shape. So that's why sine graph. Okay? Alright, so now, may I know what is the amplitude of this graph? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Apa amplitude dia? Ataupun nilai A. Apa nilai A kamu? So you must know how to measure amplitude. So anyone? Amplitude kamu berapa? Kat sini. Betul ke? Okay, careful lah guys. Whenever you measure A, wait let me see carefully. Wait guys. Let me see again the question. I think I see the problem already. Okay, guys, the scale over here got some problem. Sorry. Actually got a 0 at the end. Okay, sorry the schema bagi jawapan tak lengkap. It's actually 10, 20, 30. Okay, you all try again. What is the amplitude now? Sorry apa amplitude kamu based on this graph? So anyone? Amplitude berapa? Okay, so 11 Are you sure? Guys, see carefully This is the equilibrium point. Am I right? Ini adalah titik keseimbangan. Betul? because all the 3 point on the same line. So guys, how much is this? This one is 19. Am I right? 19. This point, it is... Sada, wait. Yeah. Correct. Sorry, I saw wrongly. Yes. Okay, total is 11. Correct, Samantha. Okay, 11. Okay, guys? Boleh? So this is your amplitude. Alright? The schema here is wrong. Jawapan dia salah. It's not 19. It's 11. Okay, take note. Jawapan dia salah. Okay? Understand, guys? So this is how you get the answer. Ini cara. Okay, so you determine the type, tentukan jenis, and you also state the amplitude tadi. Okay? Boleh? Tak faham? Okay, bahagian mana tak faham? Bahagian amplitude ke? Kamu tak faham? Oh, senang saja. Okay, kamu lihat. Cuba bagi tahu saya, apa titik keseimbangan kamu kat sini? Saya label kat kamu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mana antara 5 titik ni adalah titik keseimbangan? Kamu cuba type. Titik keseimbangan tu maksud dia, titik tu membahagikan graf kepada dua bahagian yang sama. Atas, bawah. So kamu bagi tahu saya. Mana antara kesemua titik tu dipanggil sebagai titik keseimbangan? Yes. Okay. Sebenarnya 1, 3, 5 lah guys. Okay, sebab semua ni adalah dalam satu garis. Yes. 1, 3, 5. Okay, so now. Yang ni mewakili amplitude. Yang ni juga mewakili amplitude. Dari titik keseimbangan ke titik tertinggi atau terendah dipanggil amplitude. Okay? So yang ni adalah 19, yang ni adalah 8. So 19 tolak 8, 11 lah nilai ni. That's why amplitude 11. Boleh? Boleh faham? So ini cara kita buat untuk amplitude. Okay? Alright. So ini cara kamu boleh score lah guys. This is how you guys can score 4 mark for this question. Okay, so make sure you guys plot all the 5 point correct and you must draw a smooth graph. Okay, kena lukis graph yang licin atau halus. Okay, so guys, you guys know how to draw the graph, right? Okay, make sure you guys practice, you know, how to draw sign graph. Okay, kamu kena tahu macam mana dapat bentuk dia tu. Jangan macam apa nak kata, kamu lukis, lepas tu stop. Lepas tu lukis sekali lagi, stop. Lukis a bit, stop. Yang ni tak boleh ya guys. Pasti graf akan nampak cacat kalau buat macam ni. Kena satu kali saja. One shot. Okay, you must draw. Freehand kena guna tangan bebas. Alright. So now we come question B. Okay, so question B. Okay, how to find AB guys? May I know? Oh, 19 Sorry, tadi yang ni ada kosong kat belakang. Skema tu salah. Ada kosong. Okay? So yang ni adalah 19. Boleh? Dia satu unit ke bawah titik tu. Okay? Alright. Okay, so now guys, macam mana cari panjang AB? Can anyone tell me? Guna theorem apa? May I know? This one is your normal type of question lah. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, correct. Okay, so you just need to take 3 square plus 1.6 square AB. So ini panjang AB lah. Okay, count the value. You should get 3.4. Okay, cm. Okay, ini jawapan dia. Okay, so what is the value of sin theta? Okay, so anyone? Sin theta. Apa nilai dia? So you guys must use the ratio tadi lah. Okay, so this is 3.4. Okay, so you take opposite. Okay, bertentangan bahagi hypotenuse. Am I right? Okay, so katua. Okay, so sin theta equal to opposite 3, hypotenuse 3.4. So kamu boleh tinggal jawapan macam ni, also can. If you want to leave your answer like this, tak ada masalah. Kalau nak perpuluhan pun boleh, 0.882. Yes. Okay, now, they ask you to find the value of theta. Cari nilai theta. So, tekan calculator sajalah. Shift sign. Okay, shift sign jawapan. Okay, so 3 over 3.4. Okay, kamu tekanlah. You will get the answer. Let me see. 61.9. Am I right? 61.93. Okay guys, may I know, is this our only answer? Adakah ini jawapan dia saja untuk nilai theta? Think and see. Is this the only answer? Yes or no? So you must refer the diagram. Kena lihat wajah dan cuba buat kesimpulan kamu. Adakah ini nilai dia sahaja? Anyone? Is this the only value? Yes or no? Yes, this is 90. Ini 90. Okay? Alright, so basically, right guys, sin theta, dia positif. Am I right? Okay, nilai ni adalah positif. The one you found earlier. This one. This is positive. So guys, sin positif kat kuadran ke berapa? May I know? Hold on. Slowly. Which quadrant sign is positive? Yes. Okay, 1 and 2. Am I right? So you must draw the line. Okay, kena lukis garis guys. Okay, so first one is of course your answer lah. Jawapan kamu 61.9 degrees. Okay, bila kamu shift sign tadi. Okay, now you must also find this angle. Am I right? Kamu kena cari sudut ni. This one is 61.9. Your reference angle. Sudut rujukan. So the other part, you must find 180 minus 61.9. Okay, 180 tolak jawapan. So you will get 118. Okay, 118.1. Okay, so now got two answer. Ada dua jawapan. Tapi kamu lihat wajah guys. Mana jawapan lebih logik untuk theta? Can you all tell me? This one over here. Should it be 61.9 or 118.1? Mana lebih logik? Kamu semua bagi tahu saya. Yes, of course 61.9 lah guys. Okay, let's say kamu pilih yang ni. Guys, kalau kamu pilih 118.1 plus 90. 118.1 plus 90. Dia dah lebih 180 darjah. Am I right? It is greater than 180 degrees. Yes. How can a triangle be greater than 180 degrees? Tak pernah dengar kan? Satu segitiga ada sudut lebih daripada 180 darjah. Pasti mustahil lah. Dia bukan segitiga. Okay? So this is how kita pilih jawapan dalam matematik. Especially kalau ada situasi yang diberi. Whenever the situation one, usually you have to reject one answer. Kamu kena tolak satu jawapan. Tapi, let's say guys, soalan tak bagi wajah ni. May I know, how many answer do we have now? Katakanlah soalan tak ada segitiga tu. Berapa jawapan kita akan tulis dalam SPM? Yes, you must write two answer. Correct. So can you see the difference guys? Same question, soalan sama, tapi cara soalan tu tanya berbeza. The method. So you guys must see the method, how the question asks. So that will determine your answer. Okay? So this is your answer. Ini semua jawapan kamu. Okay, boleh? Kita dah habis soalan 11. We already done question 11. Senang tak guys? Here you go. Simple or not? Senang kan? Nak score 9 markah. Actually very simple. So apa kita kena guna cara yang kedua tu kalau tak ada gambar? Sebab kalau tak ada gambar, sign positif untuk kuadran 1 dan 2. Betul? Kamu belajar dalam form 5 bab 6. Trigo kamu. Sign adalah positif untuk first and second quadrant. So kamu ada dua possible sudut lah. That's why kamu ada dua jawapan. Satu jawapan adalah nilai theta yang kamu cari dari kalkulator. 3 bahagi 3.4 shift sign. Jawapan tu 61.9. Lepas tu kuadran kedua pula garis dia macam ni. So sudut macam mana ukur? Ingat guys, your angle always measure from the positive x-axis. Kamu kena ukur dari paksi x positif. So that's why 180 tolak jawapan. So dapat jawapan yang kedua. Boleh faham? Kenapa ada dua jawapan? Kalau tak ada gambar lah di atas. Okay? Can boleh. Okay. So now we go to question 12. Soalan 12. This one guys. Favorite. Siapa suka matrix kat sini? 5 markah free lah untuk kamu lah guys. So easy. Form 5 chapter 2. Yang ni you must score 1 guys. Cannot lose 1 mark also. Tak boleh hilang. Sebab yang ni sangat standard. Okay, very easy to form the equation also. Okay. Alright. So now kamu kena bentuk persamaan dulu. Okay, so they give you x, y. Okay, so may I know what is your first equation? If you refer here. So of course you must talk about this one. 40 student. 40 murid. So now you tell and see what is your first equation. 40 murid. Yes. Okay, so that's your first equation lah. X plus Y equal to 40. Okay, because the number of cake equal to the number of student. Okay, bilangan cake yang kamu beli akan sama dengan bilangan murid yang kamu ada. Okay, logic lah. Okay, second equation. Mereka bagi tahu jumlah harga. Okay, total price. So can anyone form for me? What is your second equation? Yes, very good. Okay, 2 bukan 4, 2. Okay, yes. 3x plus 2y equal to 105. Okay, boleh? So this is your second equation. Okay, understand right guys? How to get these two equation? Very simple, right? Okay, now you must convert to matrix form. Kena tukar ke bentuk matrix. Okay, the question tadi say by using matrix method dengan kaedah matrix. So guys, can I use substitution or elimination? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya guna kaedah penggantian penghapusan? Cari X and Y? Remember, cannot read the question. Sometimes the question will say on top here. Something like this you will see. If you guys got do trial paper, you will see this. For those stay English, I write lah first. Have you all seen this guys? Solution by matrix method is not allowed. Pernah nampak tak? Soalan bagi tahu macam ni. Kaedah penyelesaian secara matrix tidak dibenarkan. Mereka akan kadang-kadang kata dalam soalan di atas, at the top, means that you must use substitution or elimination. Kena guna kaedah penggantian atau penghapusan. So make sure you read the question carefully. Baca soalan betul-betul. Okay? Alright. So now you can convert to matrix form. Okay, so convert macam ni lah. Okay, you just fill in 1, 3, and then 1, 2. Isi saja perkali bagi pemboleh ubah. And then XY, you fill in. And then equal to 40, 105. So kamu dapat macam ni lah. Okay, very simple, right? Kamu isi semua perkali saja. Just fill in all the coefficient. Then you will get the matrix equation. Okay, now you must start to do your inverse matrix. Matrix songsang. Okay, so of course you are going to inverse this. Okay, sebab yang ni kena bawa ke sini. So you will get inverse. Inverse maksudnya kuasa negatif 1. So then you apply the formula lah. Guna rumus saja. Okay, the formula is actually at the front. Kamu boleh lihat rumus yang diberi. Okay, this is your inverse matrix formula. They will give you something like this. Macam ni. Okay, so you no need to memorize actually. Just apply the formula. Okay, so you will finally get, betul ke? Adakah kamu buat silap? Okay, so over here, right, your inverse will look something like this. Okay, kamu akan dapat macam ni. Alright, so then kamu kena darab lah. You must times these two. Okay, so guys, you all still remember, right? Matrix multiplication. Okay, so how? Okay, so of course, 2 times 40 plus negative 1 times 105. The pattern is always like this. Like this, like this. Must times. And then in the middle, always plus. Kat tengah-tengah selalu tambah. And then ulanglah untuk yang bawah. Okay, something like this. Okay, then you can get the answer. Boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, are you clear guys? So then you will get the answer. X equal 25, Y equal 15. Okay, boleh? Senang kan? Very simple. Okay, next one. Okay, soalan B. Okay, so question B is a bit different. They come to consumer maths. Suddenly, bab matematik pengguna. So they're asking you, who is the smart investor? This is your Form 3, guys. Form 3 consumer mathematics. Tingkatan 3. If you guys still remember. Okay, so how to determine? Macam mana boleh tentukan? Okay, so you must see the question. Okay, so first step, you must see how many share they buy. Am I right? Kamu kena cari bilangan saham yang dia beli. Okay, so mereka bagi tahu jumlah 20,000. Setiap saham, 1 share, 2 unit. So berapa bilangan saham? So you can just take 20,000 bahagi 2. Am I right? Then you will get the number of share, 10,000. This is the first method, guys. Kaedah pertama. This is if you use lump sum. Kamu semua faham kan maksud lump sum? Maksudnya kamu buang saja 20,000 macam tu. Tak ada apa-apa planning. You just buang 20,000 and then you see how many share you get. Tengok berapa saham dapat. This is first method. Second method, do you all know the second method? Siapa tahu? Kaedah kedua. Bila kamu nak beli saham. First method is lump sum. Kamu buang saja apa yang kamu ada. Second is the smart one. Yang cerdik. So what is the second method? There is a name. Ada satu nama dia. Anyone? What, do you all still remember or not? Your lower form. There is one method for shares. Siapa tahu? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Apa nama kaedah tu? Anyone? Come on. Cepat. Apa nama kaedah tu? Kalau tak ingat, kamu cakap tak ingat. If you don't remember, you guys just say don't remember. Okay, I share to you guys. In English, it's called as cost averaging strategy. Do you all remember this for those stay English? Cost averaging strategy. Untuk BM adalah, let me see strategi cost purata. Pernah dengar? Yang ni kamu belajar kat menengah rendah. Matematik. You all still remember? You guys so silent? Have you all seen this? Form 3. Kalau tak ingat, pergi balik form 3. Buka buku teks form 3, bab 3. Under the ROI. Kamu semua tahu return of investment. Am I right? Nilai pulangan pelaburan. Bab tu. Yes. Okay, same chapter. Cost averaging strategy. Okay? So, cost averaging strategy basically is, sekarang baru ingat. Okay, mungkin kamu semua lag kan wifi kamu. Baru saja ingat. Wifi lag kat otak kamu. Kod. Yang ni bukan wifi lag kat komputer, kat otak. Okay? So make sure kamu revise balik if you lupa tadi. Okay? Alright. So now, when you do cost averaging strategy, basically 20,000 kamu akan bahagi kepada 5 bulan ni. You will divide equally. So means that 20,000 you divide by 5 months. 5 bulan. So means each month is 4,000. 4,000 untuk setiap bulan. Everything 4,000. That's why total 20,000. Am I right? So now you can find the number of share for each of the month. Kamu boleh cari bilangan saham. So you just take 4,000 divide 2, 4,000 divide 180. Buat untuk semua, tambah semua nilai untuk tahu jumlah saham yang kamu dapat. Okay, so now you can see the method. Kamu boleh nampak. Okay, so you see over here. So first method I told you is lump sum. 20,000 bahagi 2. So this is the number of share. Bilangan saham. 10,000. So the cost purata seunit saham. Average cost per share unit. You guys get 2 ringgit. Okay, how to count that? Is basically you take the total amount you invest, divide by the number of share. Jumlah wang yang kamu labur bahagi dengan berapa saham kamu ada. So kamu akan dapat cost purata seunit saham. Average cost per share unit. And then second method, Encik Azam pula. Okay, so you see, kamu tengok mana bilangan saham lebih tinggi guys. Which one has a higher average? Which one has higher number of share? Yang ni kan 10,626. Ada 626 lebih. Plus 626 shares. And then you check and see the average cost per share unit is actually lower, you know guys. Tengok, dia lebih rendah. Okay, why? Because you have higher number of shares. When you have higher number of shares, your average cost per share unit drop. Common sense, right? Kalau kamu ada sesuatu banyak dalam pasaran, kata kamu ada sesuatu banyak, cost dia tinggi atau rendah guys? Kamu bagi tahu saya. Dalam pasar raya contoh sawi tiba-tiba ada sangat banyak. So harga dia menaik ke menurun? Rendah kan? Sama konsep lah. 2 ringgit pergi ke 1.88 because your total adi plus 626. Same concept. Especially those take economy, I think you all faham, right? This concept of supply and demand. Something like that. Supply and demand, if not mistaken. I also never take economy by telling you guys. Kos purata seunit tu wajibkah tulis? Yes, sebab itu adalah poin yang sokong mana pelabur yang lebih bijak. Ada 2 poin. First point is your number of share. Second point, cost purata, average cost. So can you see? The reason is cost purata seunit lebih rendah. Or you can say bilangan saham lebih tinggi, higher number of share. So you can write both reason also can. Tulis kedua-dua pun boleh. Okay? Do you guys know how to do now? This kind of question? Selalu kaedah sama saja. Nak tanya soalan tu balik. Oh, yang mana? B ni ke? Yang ni? Soalan yang ni ke? 12. Yes, no? Soalan ni kan? Alia. Kamu tulis soalan kamu lah. Saya proceed dulu, okay? Oh, kalau dia tanya siapa pelabur bijak untuk bagi kukuh kita. Yes, selalu justifikasi dia macam tu. Okay, kamu kena bincangkan pasal kos purata seunit. Kamu lihat buku teks matematik tingkatan 3 pun sama. Kamu lihat soalan dalam dia. Okay? Dia akan bagi sebab sama. Okay? Alright. So now kita lihat soalan 13 guys. 13. Okay, so question 13, they are asking about probability. Kebarangkalian guys. Siapa tak suka bab ni? Probability. Okay, you must take note. This chapter also very famous. Probability. Okay, now they say 2 members chosen randomly. Okay, 2 ahli dipilih secara lawak. You must like. Okay, so now they ask you. Okay, so you can use letter like A for Aiman. Okay, so you can use short form. Okay, guna singkatan. Okay, so the concept is you are choosing one from each society. Okay, so let me see. Any condition? Okay, no condition. Okay, so you can start to choose lah. Okay, it's very random one. Okay, so you can start. Okay, you can say Aiman, Fatin. Okay, and then Aiman, Cindy. Or you can say Aiman, John. Can you see the pattern guys? I maintain one person, I change the other person. Saya maintain satu orang, tengok. Ada 5 possibility dah. 5 chances. So kamu ulang saja benda sama untuk orang lain. You just continue the same thing. So guys, I want to ask you lah. Aiman Fatin dan Fatin Aiman. Benda sama atau benda berbeza? Boleh saya tahu. Is it the same or different? Aiman Fatin, Fatin Aiman. Yes. Same guys. Sama. Jangan tulis 2 kali. Don't write 2 times. Okay, whenever you choose people, the order is not important. Susunan tak penting. Siapa ambil admit sini faham kan? Bila kamu pilih orang, combination, gabungan. Susunan tak penting kan? Order not important in combination. Same concept here. This is like combination, gabungan. Okay, so you just choose only. Okay, so then you just continue lah. Kamu sambung dengan semua orang. Okay, so finally your answer will get all this. Ada banyak. Okay, there are many answer. Okay, so total you have, let me see, 15. Okay, total 15 answer you should have. Okay, boleh? The concept is just like how I showed you just now. Just ulang only untuk orang lain. Okay, boleh guys? One or two? Satu atau dua? Boleh saya tahu? Satu kan? One right? You guys get it? Hopefully you all get it lah. Okay, next one. They ask you, by listing down all the possible outcomes, kamu kena senaraikan semua kesudahan. So they ask you, a boy and a girl. Satu lelaki, satu perempuan. Oh, sometimes it's easy, sometimes difficult. Never mind. Okay, now you tell me guys. Satu lelaki, satu perempuan. Berapa case yang patuhi kat sini? Okay, so I just write down the names lah. Easier for you. You all tell me. How many satisfy the condition? One boy, one girl. Cindy, and then M is, let me see, A, C, F, Mary, Nancy, John. Okay. Okay, wait, guys. Easier if I write down here. Mary, Nancy, John. Okay, now you guys tell me how many cases satisfied for one boy, one girl. Satu lelaki, satu perempuan. Untuk semua combination. You all count and see. Which one is one boy, one girl? Guys, you don't tell me, jangan tanya kat saya John ni lelaki atau perempuan, Guys, if you ask me this kind of question, I don't know how to answer you, You guys think on your own lah. John tu lelaki ke atau perempuan? Kamu guna common sense. Jangan tanya kat saya macam mana tahu yang tu. Saya tak boleh terangkan. Okay, you ask me John is boy or girl? I don't know how to answer you. You must know by yourself. Okay, don't ask me this kind of question. Very weird. Okay, because some people got asked like that to me. So I thinking how to explain to this kind of people. How do I explain that John is a boy? I don't know how to explain. It's already in the diagram. Oh yeah, correct, right? Yeah. They actually help you already. Mereka dah bantu kamu, yes. Okay, so you all tell me, how many situation satisfy here? May I know? Berapa yang dipatuhi untuk 13A? Okay, sama-sama. Lagi orang? How many? One boy, one girl. Kamu kena cari pasangan kat sini. So Husna say 7. Lagi orang? What do you all say? Okay, actually the answer is 9. Are you sure? Count carefully, guys. Kira betul-betul. Yes, the answer is 8, guys. AF, AC, AN, FJ, CJ, and then JN, JM. Boleh? So total 8, guys. Siapa kata? Wait. Sana, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. I forget AM. AM. Okay, 8. 8. Boleh? Can understand, guys? Siapa kata 7 atau 9, maksudnya kamu dah apa nak kata tersilap jangka jantina orang tu lah. Mungkin saya boleh kata macam tu. That's why kamu silap. Betul? You guys already change his gender. You think the boy is actually a girl. A girl is the boy. Kamu fikir macam tu. That's why you tell me 7 or 9. Am I right? Make sure jangan confuse guys. Soalan pun dah bagi kat sini. Alright? So actually you can refer in the exam. Okay? So your answer is actually 8 over 15. Okay, kebangkalan dia. You just see the total here. 8. And then just now on top here got how many? Berapa jumlah ruang sampel kamu? 15 kan? 15. So that's why 8 over 15, 8 per 15. Okay? Alright. So now, question B2. They say same society. Okay? Dia dari club sama. Okay, this one a bit difficult lah. You guys must refer the table. Okay, so kamu lihatlah mana yang club sama. Okay, so AF, AC, and then let's see, FC. Okay, ada 3 kat sini. JN, JM, and then NM. Ada 3 juga kat sini. Okay, so total you have 6, 6. Okay, so that's why your answer is 6 over 15, 6 per 15. Do you guys get it? Can you see how I get the answer? Faham ke tak, guys? Can you all comment? Do you understand? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Faham kan? Okay. So, question 3. They say Aiman and Mary were exempted. Mereka tak mau Aiman dan juga Mary. Maksudnya kamu tak boleh nampak lah nama tu dalam list kamu. Okay, so anywhere you see AM, you just cancel lah. Okay, A kamu nampak, tak boleh. You cannot choose A. M also cannot choose. Tak boleh pilih M. So kamu potong semua. So you see 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Okay, so that's why jawapan untuk B3 pun 6 per 15. 6 over 15. Okay, make sure kamu kena senaraikan tau yang ni. Jangan terus ke jawapan. Don't give your final answer. Because question say must list the possible outcome. Can you see? Kena menyenaraikan kesudahan. Ada markah. Okay? So each question is actually 2 marks. 2, 2, 2. Okay, so 1 mark you list down. 1 mark final answer. Jawapan akhir. Okay? Understand guys? Boleh faham soalan 13? Dah habis dah kebahan kalian. Okay, now we go question 14. Nak cepat dah, nak habis. Okay, so 3 ketaksamaan linear, 3 linear inequality. Okay, so anyone, can you tell me the answer? This chapter, I think should be no problem, right? Sepatutnya tak ada masalah lah. So anyone, first answer, cuba bagi tahu your first inequality. Mana-mana pun boleh lah, kamu pilih dan bagi tahu. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, Y lebih kurang dari 6 sebab dia adalah garis putus-putus. So, tak ada simbol sama dengan. Correct. Okay, and then is less because dia lorek ke bawah. Okay, correct. Second, yang kedua. Y greater than equal to, you never complete. Yes, very good. Negative 1 over 2x plus 3, tambah 3, okay? Yes, correct. Alright. Guys, that one usually, right? Don't say guys. Guys, biasanya kan yang ni, jangan cakap. Soalan biasanya tak mau yang ni. Usually the question say they won't want these two. Mereka tak mau yang ni. Walaupun soalan kat sini tak cakap, better jangan bagi. Sebab skema biasanya takkan bagi dua jawapan ni. Take note. Jangan bagi dua ni. Don't give. Okay? Ketaksamaan. Insyira. Tak boleh nampak simbol sama dengan tahu. Ketaksamaan. Inequality. Okay? So satu lagi saja. One more. Okay, so jawapan kamu dah dekat dah. So kamu kena bagi tahu saya simbol ketaksamaan saja. Y plus X. Lepas tu, apa simbol dia? Lebih kurang atau lebih besar? Yes, correct. Okay, kena ada simbol sama dengan guys. Must have equal to because this line is a solid line. Okay, satu garis lurus. Okay, so you actually shade down. Lorek ke bawah. That's why simbol dia macam ni. Okay, must have equal lah. Kena ada sama dengan. Okay, so these are your answers. Ini jalan ini jawapan. Okay, 3 markah. 3 marks. Okay, alright. Continue. Okay, so biasanya kalau soalan macam ni, kamu kena, okay, start. Kamu kena lukis graph. Okay, usually for this kind of question, they will ask graph 1 all of the time. Okay, so prepare with graph lah. Okay, Ahmad, kamu nampak kat sini. Pintasan X 6, pintasan Y 6. Bagi garis ni. Maksudnya apa? Kalau X sama dengan kosong, Y kena 6. Kalau Y sama dengan kosong, X kena 6. So, apa persamaan kamu boleh dapat? X tambah Y sama 6 lah. Okay, sebab kalau X kosong, Y 6. X 6, Y kosong. Faham tak? Persamaan lain tak boleh patuhi yang ni. It cannot satisfy other equation. Okay, so that's why the equation is X plus Y equals 6. Okay? Alright. So now, yang ni. Okay guys, they ask you to write again. Tulis lagi dua ketaksamaan. Okay, so anyone, can you tell me what are your 2 equation based on the situation? Cuba bagi tahu. Okay, come on. So baca betul-betul dan bagi tahu. So they already tell you X factory worker, Y is food deliver. X tu pekerja kilang, Y tu penghantar makanan. So anyone? First equation. This is your technique guys. Ini teknik kamu untuk tulis persamaan dari satu pernyataan. Ini teknik yang penting. It's an important skill in maths. You must know how to convert the words into equation or inequality. So anyone? First one, yang pertama. Come on. I need answers. So kamu lihat. Kamu nak mula dari yang mana? Where you guys want to start with? So can anyone see here? Melebihi 40 jam. Not more than 40 hours. So can anyone tell? What's the answer? Apa jawapan dia? Yes, very good. X plus Y less than or equal to 40. Not more than or tidak melebihi. Maksudnya macam ni lah. Okay, this is the symbol. Okay, second. Yang kedua. What is your second? Okay, let's see. Yes, very good, Samantha. 20x plus 10y greater than or equal to 500. Okay, can you see 20 per hour, 20 per jam, and then sekurang-kurangnya at least. At least mean greater than or equal to, lebih besar atau sama dengan. And then 10 per hour. So 20x plus 10y greater than or equal to 500. 500. Boleh dapat guys? B1 macam mana dapat dua persamaan? Boleh kan? So sekarang kamu kena lukis graf lah berdasarkan dua persamaan ni. Okay, just draw the graph and shade. Okay, kamu kena lorekkan. Okay, so how to draw the graph? You just need to plot 2 point. Plot 2 titik cukup. Sebab kamu tahu dua-dua ni adalah garis lurus. Am I right? It's a straight line. So kamu buat jadual lah. Nilai XY. Paling senang. XY. Okay, so kamu katakan X sama dengan kosong, Y sama dengan kosong. Itu kaedah paling standard. Senang. Okay, you just find the value. Okay, so X is 0, you find Y. So then kamu boleh plot. Macam ni. Okay, this is your graph. Can you see guys? So this is how you plot. So all of this is your Y-intercept. Pintasan Y. Kamu boleh dapat melalui pengiraan. You just count. And then this one is your X-intercept. Bottom. Okay? And make sure you guys follow the scale. Ikut skala yang soalan beri. Okay? Okay, mereka tak bagi tahu kat sini. Okay? It's over here. 2 cm to RM5. Okay? So kamu kena lukis ikut yang ni. Alright? Boleh kan? So kamu boleh dapat macam ni. Okay, where to shade? Kat mana nak lorek? Okay, so you must follow lah. Okay, so they say less than or equal to. X plus Y less than or equal to. So ini adalah X tambah Y sama dengan 40. So less than maksudnya ke bawah. And then the other one, satu lagi lebih besar atau sama dengan. So ke atas, on top. So you see the common region guys. Tengok kawasan yang serupa. Kamu lorek yang tu lah. Okay, that's where is the common region. Okay, do you guys understand? One or two? Satu atau dua tentang graf ni? Ada apa-apa nak tanya? Nothing, right? Sangat standard kan? Just make sure you guys draw the line correctly only. Very easy to score. Okay, this is how they mark. Ini cara kamu boleh score. Okay, so just make sure skala seragam and then label X, Y. Yes, guys, the lines that you lorek must use ruler. All these lines. Semua garis kat sini. Kena guna pembaris untuk lorek. Okay, make sure pembaris so that dia nampak kemas. Okay, and then you draw the lines correctly and then the correct shaded region. Lorek dengan betul. So total you have 4 mark or 3 mark I think. 3 markah. Okay, 3 marks. Okay, so now they ask you to calculate the income if he works 10 hours as factory worker. Okay, 10 jam sebagai pekerja kilang. Mean that X equal to 10. Am I right? Sebab pekerja kilang mewakili X. Okay, can you see? X hours as factory worker. So X equal to 10. So now, you just need to draw on the graph. Lukis kat graph saja. X sama dengan 10. So X sama dengan 10, garis yang ni. Okay, baca nilai Y. Nilai Y adalah 30. 30. So then, how to find the income? Macam mana cari jumlah? Guna persamaan kamu. Use your equation. This equation. This equation is about the income. Am I right? Persamaan tentang wang. So you just substitute X equal to 10, Y equal to 30. Then kamu akan dapat jawapan dah. You will get the answer. Okay, but then, yeah, correct. Okay, so you get 20 times 10 plus 10 times 30. Okay, so final answer, 500. 500. Okay, that's why the answer is 500. 500. Boleh? Do you guys understand how to do question 14? Boleh kan? So always make sure the graph is the most important thing guys. Bila kamu lukis graph, hati-hati. Because if your graph wrong, soalan ni pasti confirm salah lah. Tak payah lihat lah. Okay, because all the value is based on your graph. More important, jawapan yang ni. Kalau kamu tulis ketaksaman salah, graph salah, nilai salah. Semua salah. Maksudnya 6 markah habis. Itu saja. So that's why I say guys, your inequality very important. Ketaksaman kat B1 ni penting. If you answer wrong, gone. Everything you gone already. Kawasan berlorek pun akan salah because you interpret wrongly. Okay? Alright. So now, this is the last question for section B. Okay, soalan terakhir bagi bahagian B. Okay, so for this one, transformation guys. Siapa tak suka bab ni? Form 5 chapter 5 guys. Transformasi. Pasti akan keluar satu soalan bahagian B. You guys must know how to do. Okay, section B, favorite transformation. Okay? Alright. So they ask you, what is the transformation to produce Y from X? So how? Nak dapat Y dari X. So may I know what is the transformation? Apa yang kamu boleh nampak? Anyone? Cuba bagi tahu. Yes, the most simple is reflection. Can you see guys? Pantulan. Can you see the axis? Itu adalah paksi pantulan. Okay guys, when you say right, you must say reflection in the line CF. Kena cakap pada garis CF. Kalau kamu cakap pantulan saja, reflection only you write, you won't get full mark. Kamu takkan dapat markah penuh. You will only get 1 mark. This one is 2 mark. This is 3 mark. So make sure kamu bagi tahu nama garis dia. You must tell the name of the line. Okay, can you see here? Kalau kamu cakap reflection saja, 1 markah. 1 mark only. So you must say in the line CF. Pada garis CF. Kena spesifik. Bila huraikan transformasi. Okay? Alright. So now, they ask you state the transformation to produce Z from Y. So can anyone tell me, macam mana nak dapat Z dari Y? Anyone? Cuba bagi tahu. Yang ni senang. Kamu boleh lihat. Z from Y. Cuba kamu rangka jawapan. So make sure your answer is complete. Kena bagi jawapan yang lengkap. Okay, the clue here is equilateral triangle. Okay, segitiga sisi sama. Mean what? Means that each angle is 60. Am I right? Setiap sudut 60. Kalau segitiga sisi sama. So can anyone tell? What is the transformation here? Kamu bagi tahu arm dulu. Is it rotation, translation, reflection, enlargement? What is it? Yes. Okay, it's rotation guys. Correct. Ini adalah putaran. Okay, kalau kamu pergi Y ke Z, dia adalah putaran. Okay, berapa darjah? How many degrees? Y to Z. Very good. 120 degrees. Okay, how you get 120? 60, 60. Okay, 60, 60. Because it is equilateral triangle. Okay, segitiga sama sisi. Okay, so your total rotation is 120. Okay, and then is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? Ikut pusingan jam atau lawan pusingan jam? If it's 120. Are you sure? Yes, anti. See the arrow guys. Tengok arah dia. Okay, when you rotate, you're going this way to get this shape. So it's anti-clockwise. Lawan pusingan jam. Correct. This one is 3 marks. 3 markah. Okay, so you can see over here. When you say rotation, 1 mark. 120, another mark. Anti-clockwise, another mark. And you must also say center O. Kena bagi tahu pusat nama. Okay, nama pusat. Okay, the center of course is this one lah. The center of the circle or center of hexagon. Okay, pusat hexagon O. Alright. Are you clear guys? Boleh dapat untuk soalan A1, 2? Senang kan? Boleh dapat kan? Okay, continue. Soalan B. Okay, soalan B, they ask you to draw. Kena lukis under enlargement. Okay, kamu kena buat pembesaran. Okay, so they already tell you enlargement, center, scale factor. So kamu lukis saja. Mereka dah bagi tahu semua info. Okay, so very simple. They tell you the center is negative 1/8. Okay, so it's over here, center. And then scale factor 2. Okay, so guys, macam mana nak besarkan? How do we enlarge it? Okay, so first step, you just connect the lines to all the points. Okay, sambungkan semua titik kat wajah kamu. Okay, over here, if it's better, you draw using ruler lah. Okay, guna pembaris dia lebih tepat. Alright, so wait let me try to make it as accurate as possible. Okay, so now your image will be 2 times bigger. Am I right? 2 kali lebih besar. Because they say scale factor 2. Scale factor 2 means that the image is bigger. Image lebih besar. Alright. So you can draw every side times 2 lah. Okay. So you can sambung like this. Okay. Just connect. And then if this one is 2, it become 4. Okay. Over here not so accurate lah. My drawing tak sangat tepat. Okay. Because wait let me try to see. Okay, this one should go down here and then here and then go up. You should get something like this lah. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Boleh guys? Can you guys see it? If you draw using ruler, kamu akan lebih tepat lah. If you use ruler, you will get a more accurate answer. Okay, you will get something like this. Okay, ini jawapan dia. Alright? Can you guys see it? So this is your center. Ini pusat kamu. So this is your image that you must draw. Kena lukis yang ni. Boleh? Can or not guys? 1 atau 2? Boleh faham ke tak? Macam mana lukis? Can Okay. So make sure use ruler. Bila lukis garis ni, guna pembaris. Use ruler. Okay? Alright. Continue. Okay, soalan B2. They ask you to count the area represented by the image. So guys, what's the formula? K square times object. Am I right? Ini rumus yang kamu tahu. Image equal to K square times object. So object sudah diberi 39. Scale factor 2. Faktor skala 2. So just count. 2 square times 33. So this is your final answer. 132. Alright? Can understand guys? Boleh faham? Kita dah habis bahagian B dah. Jadi complete section B. Okay, so now section C. Section C ni penting tau guys. 15 marks, 15 markah. So kamu bagi tahu lah, kamu nak saya buat soalan mana? Sebab kamu kena pilih satu saja. You just have to choose one. So you want me discuss 16 atau 17? Wait. I never show the 17 yet. Ini soalan 17. Kamu semua bagi tahu saya nak mana? Wait 16 or 17? Oh, 16 Kamu semua nak 16. I will follow majority guys. Saya lihat majority saja. This is 17. 16 lah. Okay, I see majority 16. Okay, so we go to 16. Oh, I know why you guys choose 16. 16 because of the consumer maths. Am I right guys? Kamu semua tak suka taxation and insurance. That's the thing lah. Actually, it's easy guys. Senang nak score. If you guys know the step right, it's very basic one. Yes, I know it's important in your life. Correct. Okay, so now they ask you to find the gross premium of comprehensive policy. Okay, cari premium kasar. Alright. Okay, so of course you must start with the basic premium. Kamu kena mula dengan premium asas. Okay, so they already give you the value 339.10. Then kamu mula lah. So guys, first step, what do you all do? You must take Peninsular Malaysia. So can anyone tell me what is the rate for Peninsular Malaysia? Apa kadar dia? Dia ada satu nilai kamu kena hafal. Yes. Remember, Peninsular Malaysia RM26. Soalan takkan bagi, kamu kena hafal. You must remember. Okay? Sabah Sarawak berapa guys? Boleh saya tanya? Extra question. Sabah Sarawak, apa kadar dia? Yes. Okay, 2030, correct. Very good. Okay, so now, you just take 60,000 minus 1,000 divide 1,000 kali 26. Itu langkah dia. Lepas tu tambah dengan nilai ni. Am I right? Then you use the NCD. Okay, guna NCD saja. So kalau NCD 30%, kamu akan ambil berapa peratus guys? What will be the value after discount? Berapa peratusan dia selepas discount tu? 100% original. Discount 30%. So lepas discount, berapa persen yang tinggal? Yes, you can actually do direct. 70% kali dengan basic premium asas. Boleh jimat satu langkah. You can save a step. Boleh dapat jawapan secara terus. Okay? So this is how you can get the answer. Ini jawapan dia. Okay? Understand right? Make sure you guys remember this formula lah. Okay, kadar RM1000 pertama tambah jumlah diinsurankan tolak 1000 bagi 1000 kali kadar. Itu rumus dia. Okay? Alright. So this is your answer lah for gross premium, premium kasar for policy comprehensive. Any question? Apa-apa soalan kat sini? Kalau tak ada, continue. No question lah? Nothing? Clear, right? Okay. So continue. Third party, policy pihak ketiga. So third party, kamu akan guna nilai ni lah. Policy pihak ketiga. Alright. So semua nilai ni tak perlulah. No need adi. So you direct go to your NCD. Buat NCD saja. Okay. So then you will take 70% times with kali dengan apa? Kamu akan kali dengan nilai ni lah. 151.20. Okay, so this is your answer. Ini jawapan dia. A2. Okay, you guys get it? So you will get 105.84. Ini nilai dia. Okay, any problem guys for this question? Okay, so total you have 5 marks. 5 markah. So confirm? Confident boleh score? 5 markah ni? Confident? 100%? Can lah? Okay, very good. Okay, so continue. Okay, so this one is about taxation, percukaian. Okay, so for taxation, you must see the CC. Kena lihat engine capacity 1799. Okay, 1799. So kamu refer kat sini lah. Okay, so base 200, asas dia 200. So then you have to count the progressive rate. Okay, kadar progressive. So you just take 1799 tolak 1600 kali this one is 0.40 guys. 40 tu salah. 0.40. Then kamu akan dapat jawapan dah. You will get the answer. Okay? So this is the answer. Senang tak guys bab ni? Sumpah senang lah guys. It's so simple. So direct. Tak ada apa-apa yang boleh confuse. As long you remember the formula. Total road tax is base rate plus progressive rate. Kadar asas tambah kadar progresif sama dengan jumlah cukai jalan. Okay? So 3 markah. Okay, next. Okay, so now this one they ask about measure of dispersion. Bahagian statistik lah. Okay, so this one you must first fill in the table. Kena lengkapkan jadual. Okay, so for this one, let me see. Okay, so you just fill in the table only. Okay, so kamu isi lah. Sama saja. Just follow the data. Okay, so you can complete all the value. And then kamu tekan calculator saja. FX, all of these press calculator only. Okay, berdasarkan nilai. Okay, so for this one, let me see. 1232. Okay, 1232. Okay, then you continue. Okay, untuk fill in yang lain. Okay guys, over here right, got a chat. Ada suatu perangkap kat sini. Okay, can you see this guys? Dia cakap 25-42 km. Orang ni pergi. The cargo in these two distances. Means what guys? You must actually add the values. Do you all know that? Okay, because this data is for the first 28 days. 28 hari pertama. But this one is the last 2 days. 2 hari terakhir. So actually means that kamu kena ubah nilai dia tambah 1 kat sini. Dan juga tambah 1 kat terakhir. Boleh faham tak guys? Do you guys understand why I change this value? 12 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Okay, because these two distances. Okay, dua nilai ni dalam lingkungan yang tu. Boleh lihat? Is in the range. Understand or not? Boleh faham tak? Kenapa saya ubah jadi 13 dan 3? Okay? Can? Kamu baca statement sajalah. Just refer to your question. Okay, then kamu boleh selesaikan lah. You just times lah. F times X. Kamu kali untuk setiap baris ni. Okay, Fx square. Maksudnya kamu kuasa 2X. Lepas tu kali F. Then kamu isi semua yang ni. Okay, nothing. Just use calculator only. Okay? Understand guys? So this one you have 3 marks. 3 markah. Kamu akan dapat semua nilai ni. Can or not guys? Boleh ke tak? Kamu semua sangat senyap tau. You guys so quiet. Can understand lah guys? Boleh ya? Yang ni memang tak boleh terangkan apa-apa. Kamu tekan saja. Calculator dapat jawapan. Okay? Alright. So next one. They ask you to count the mean, variance and standard deviation. So how to count? You have to use the table lah. Okay, so mean, how you count? Mean is sum of fx over sum of f. So means that you plus everything, tambah semua ni, bahagi dengan tambah semua ni. Kamu dah dapat jawapan mean. Okay, so this is your mean answer. 715 over 30. Or you can write 23.83 pun boleh. Kalau kamu nak tulis macam tu. Oh, no problem. You count variance first. Question asks you count variance. Cari variance dulu. Jangan terus standard deviation. Follow the question. Alright? Okay, so variance. How to count variance? You must know the formula. It's like this. Sum of fx square. You can refer in front also. Boleh wujud depan. So this is the formula. Am I right? This is how you count variance. So again, use your table. Okay, kamu dah ada semua informasi. Sum of fx square, kamu tambah semua, bahagi dengan tambah semua ni, tolak, jawapan kamu tadi lah. Okay, just minus your answer square. Then you will get jawapan dia. Can you all see it, guys? So how to find standard deviation? Macam mana cari sisian piawai? Punca kuasa 2 variance lah. Okay, just square root your variance answer. Then you will get standard deviation. Boleh faham tak, guys? Do you guys understand? Habis dah bahagian C. We already complete. You all understand? Boleh faham? Paper 2 senang tak, guys, nak score? Senang lah. Sumpah senang gila. Kita habis dalam 2 jam. 2 hours we already settle the whole paper. Paper 2 berapa masa? 2 hours 30 minutes. Kamu ada baki 30 minit lagi. Half an hour. Half an hour buat apa? Goyang kaki ke? Shake legs. Make sure check your answer. Kena semak balik jawapan. Jangan buat silap. Okay, we discuss the objective very fast. Okay, kita bincang sangat cepat. I will only discuss the hard question. Okay, saya hanya bincang soalan susah dengan kamu semua. Boleh? Can you all agree? Because 40 question memang kamu semua akan tidur kalau saya buat ke semua 40 soalan. So kita buat yang susah sahaja. So kamu bagi tahu saya, soalan apa kamu nak saya bincang? Okay, kamu lihat 3 soalan ni dulu. Ada apa-apa nak bincang? Any question you guys want me to discuss? Konsep saya macam ni. Sama-sama? Ada orang? Tak ada? Okay, 3. Okay, kita bincang 3. Okay, soalan 3. Express n in term of m. Okay, ungkapkan n dalam sebutan m. So, kamu kena jadikan n sebagai perkara rumus. Okay, make n as your subject. Okay, so 2n equal to darab silang. Okay, this is your algebra, guys. So, kalau lemah, make sure you revise algebra. Okay, so semua n pindah sebelah kiri. Shift to the left hand side. Then, you must factorize n. So, you factorize n, 2 minus 3m equal to negative m square. Okay, then you already get the answer lah. Dah dapat jawapan. Boleh faham? Can you understand? Okay, tapi jawapan kamu lihat tak ada yang ni. You don't have this answer. So you change the negative to positive. Tukar saja. So you just times the whole equation by negative. Kali seluruh persamaan dengan negatif. So jawapan dia adalah A. Boleh faham? Understand? So jawapan dia A. Alright. Okay, so next one. 4, 5, 6. Ada apa-apa soalan nak bincang? 4, 5, 6. Tak ada? Sama? Anyone? Kalau tak ada, saya teruskan saja. 6. Okay, soalan 6 ni senang saja. Okay, all 6 Wah, semua orang kata 6. Okay, R over S negative 1 over 2. Okay, so first step. Okay guys, always remember, negative 1 over 2 kita tak boleh tulis. So you just need to switch the position. Tukar kedudukan saja. So when you switch the position, the power will change. Negative to positive. So guys, this one was the answer. Boy lah. Power 1 over 2 means square root. Punca kuasa 2. Settle. So answer B. That's all. Itu saja. Okay? You just need to know this rule. Kena tahu hukum ni. Example 2 over 9. Kuasa negatif 1. I can write as 9 over 2. Ini hukum dia. Yes. Okay, question 4. Question 4. You guys just need to change divide sign to times. So you get times y square minus 9. Wah, semua dah tanya. Very good you guys. Semua nombor dah masuk. Okay. Understand right? This step. Cross multiply lah. Okay, so y square minus 9, you can factorize. Y plus 3, y minus 3. Okay, yang ni adalah kuadratik lah. Okay, your quadratic. So y minus 3 potong. And then, this one you can factorize. Okay, yang ni kamu factorize, keluar 2. You take out number 2, like this. So x plus 3 potong. Okay, kuasa 2 potong lah. And then number 2 potong. So you guys left with what? Tinggal dengan apa? You guys left with, let me see. You guys left with y plus 3. Y tambah 3 ke atas and x plus 3 kat bawah. So that's why the answer is A. Boleh faham? For those asked question 4, this is the process. Okay, the main concept in question 4 is factorize. Kamu kena faktorkan. That's all. Okay, question 5. Question 5 also same concept. Okay, expand, kembangkan. Okay, and then they ask you express W in term of U. So all the U, you bring it to the right hand side lah. Pindah semua U ke sebelah kanan. So then factorize W. 2U plus 5 equal to 6U. W equal to 6U over 2U plus 5. So jawapan dia adalah C. Boleh faham? For those asked question 5, do you understand? This is the process. Basic algebra lah guys. Kalau algebra kamu kukuh, this kind of question very simple lah. Okay, just don't make careless mistake. Alright. Okay, 7, 8, 7, 8. Ada apa-apa nak bincang tak? This one is all straight line. Garis lurus saja. 7 Okay, question 7. X-intercept. So x-intercept, y equal to 0. Okay, ini adalah anggapan dia. So you must form the equation. Okay, so they already tell you gradient 3 over 2. So y equal to 3 over 2x minus 3. Ini adalah pintasan y. Y-intercept. So y equals 0. That's all lah. Solve for x. So x you will get 2. Okay, the answer will be 2. So that's why jawapan dia donkey. Boleh faham? Sangat cepat kan guys? Very fast. Kamu boleh dapat jawapan objektif. Can Okay, continue. Okay, 9. 9 ni satu page saja. Nak bincang tak? Kuadratik. Rasa yang ni senang lah. Kamu just identify graph saja. I don't know. Maybe this state easy lah. Nak bincang tak yang ni? Kalau tak ada, saya teruskan saja. Nak ke tak nak? Bincang Okay, I follow majority. Okay, very simple. A less than 0. A lebih kurang dari kosong sebab negatif 3. So kalau lebih kurang dari kosong, kena bentuk masam. Am I right? Okay, so smiley graph, confirm wrong lah. Tak boleh semua soalan lah, tak sempat. Okay, and then y-intercept 2. Pintasan y 2. Yang ni pintasan y negatif 3 salah. Jawapan C. Understand now guys? That's all. Itu saja. First check shape, second check y-intercept. Periksa dua ni saja. Okay? Alright. 10, 11, 10, 11. Ada apa-apa nak bincang tak? Can be fast one. It's actually very simple. That's why very fast. 10, 11. Anything that you want to discuss? 11. Okay, 11. Oh, Trigo kamu takut Okay, so first, graph mula dari kosong. Mestilah fungsi sin. Okay, the graph start with 0. So cos salah. AC only. Check amplitude. Amplitude berapa guys? 6. Am I right? Yeah, amplitude 6. Settle. Answer C. Tak perlu lihat apa-apa dah. Understand? Sangat pantas lah guys. Very fast. Periksa bentuk, sin, amplitude 6. Answer dah dapat. Okay, 10. 10 ni perlu masa sikit. Okay, so first step, you find the area. So area, length times width lah. Okay, panjang darab lebar. And then, kamu nak cari satu permukaan saja. Only one area. So total you have how many area guys? 6 kali 4. Am I right? Okay, 6 long, 4 wide. So 24 total. So then, expand only lah. Okay, kamu expand macam biasa. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. And then, faktorkan. Factorize. So, kamu boleh faktorkan apa? 4. 3x square plus 8x plus 4 over 24. Cut. Settle. Jawapan A. Cepat tak guys? Is it fast? Very fast, right? Senang lah guys. Dapat jawapan. Konsep sangat senang. It's very simple one. Yang ni Sabah. Paper Sabah. Okay, next. 12, 13. Ada apa-apa nak bincang tak? 12, 13. Yang ni senang lah guys. Very simple lah. 12 masih ada. Okay. Tangent Q. Okay, so tangent Q 0.8. 0.8 is 8 over 10. 4/5. Tangent adalah bertentangan bagi bersebelahan. Opposite 4. Maksudnya bersebelahan 5. 5. ml. ml, hypotenuse. Yang ni 21. So ml is what? 21 square plus 15 square. Settle. Tekan calculator, get the answer. Pilih. Faham tak? That's all. Finish. Apa susah mathematics guys? Who say mathematics so hard? I can finish under 10 second lah. One question. Habis tadi. Okay, 13 nothing right? 13 tak perlu bincang lah guys. Orang tadika pun boleh buat soalan ni. Kindergarten also can do lah. Question 13. Okay, 14, 15, 16. Nak soalan mana? We already coming half of the paper. Setengah kertas dah. 14, 15, 16. Yang ni saya boleh lebih cepat kalau kamu nak. Any question? Kalau tak ada, saya proceed. 14. Okay, 14 lah. Okay, so 14. Kamu kena songsangkan yang ni. Inverse the matrix. So if you inverse dapat apa guys? 2p, negative q, negative 2. Q equal to 5. Okay, so you already know q equal to 5. And then p is equal to 3. P sama dengan 3. So now you want to find the k. K is equal to what? AD minus BC. Matrix songsang 1 over AD minus BC. Okay, so AD minus BC is 2P minus 2Q. P equal to 3. Q equal to 5. Habis. The answer is negative 4. Faham tak? Cepat kan guys? Matrix pun sangat cepat. Faham tak? Easy right? Just songsang, cari nilai K. First step, you find your P and Q. Cari nilai P dan Q. You songsang. You get the answer Q is 5, P is 3. Kamu bandingkan dua-dua ni. You compare this one and this one. You can get P and Q. Then K equal to AD minus BC. So dapat jawapan. Okay? Boleh guys? Can I continue? Faham kan? Kamu semua silent? Okay, continue Okay, so 17, 18. Nak bincang mana? 17, 18. 17, 18. Come on. Kalau tak ada, continue. 17 Okay, 17 also very fast. 18. Okay, A from C. C from A. C dari A. Maksudnya sudut ni 32. Okay, 20. 25. You can find this length. Am I right? Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay, so tangent 32 equal to opposite, bertentangan bagi bersebelahan. So opposite is 25 tangent 32. So this is 25 tangent 32. So nak cari CD, 25 tangent 32 plus 20. Settle. Tekan calculator, get the answer. Answer is 25 tangent 32 plus 20. Boleh? Senang tak guys? So simple right? Just you need to understand elevation is you look up. Dongakan maksudnya kamu pandang atas. So 32 is the value from horizontal ke hypotenuse lah. Segitiga kamu. Alright? Okay, 18. Regular pentagon. Regular pentagon mean what? N minus 2 times 180 bagi N. Rumus ni. So N sama dengan 5. 3 kali 180 over 5. 108. Maksudnya semua sudut ni 108. So guys, you focus on this. Regular pentagon means same side. CC sama. So this is 108. So you just need to take 180 tolak 108 bagi 2. So this is 36. 36. So yang ni berapa guys? 108 total. 36 satu bahagian. So tolak 72. So X plus 40 plus 72 equal to satu segitiga total berapa guys? 180. So X berapa guys? Kira lah. Okay, you will get the answer. So final answer 58 lah. 58. Boleh faham tak? Settle. Senang tak guys? Senang kan? Ataupun saya ajar secara senang. Is it I teach until it looks so easy? Actually it's easy. Dia senang saja. Yes, bahagian pengiriman saja saya pantas lah. Yang tu kamu semua boleh adjust. Ikut pace kamu. Yang konsep tu saja penting. It's just the concept. Okay? Alright. So now, 1920. Which one? Maybe some teacher, they make it look difficult lah. Ada cikgu nak bagi tu nampak susah. But I just make things simple. Anyone? Don't have, Tak ada, Proceed lah. Semua orang pun nak tidur. Oh, 19. Okay, never mind. 19. Okay, so regular pentagon. Same question. 108. 108. Guys, when you see is a parallelogram, segi empat selari, sudut bertentangan you tambah is 180. So this is 130. Okay, so means that this one also 130 lah. Okay, because this has to be 50. Total 360. So guys, this one is 108. 108 plus 130 plus x equal 360. Find your x lah. Settle. Apa susah? Get your answer. Boleh faham? Can you understand? That's all. Itu saja. Number 19. Okay? Can continue? Boleh pergi lagi? Understand, Okay. 21, 22. Ada apa-apa nak bincang? 21, 22. Don't have, Tak ada, Okay? Alright. Continue. 23. 23. Anything? 23 ni satu saja. Don't have, Tak ada, Okay, continue. 24, 25. Guys, siapa cakap 25 ni? Kamu pergi tadika. Siapa kata nak bincang 25, kamu siap. Whoever say 25 want to discuss, you wait. Saya pun tak tahu macam mana nak discuss. Saya kata tekan calculator saja. Tak ada, Don't have, right? Nothing, right? Continue, Okay. 26, 27, 28. Senang lah, guys. Variation, ubahan. I think you don't have question lah, this one. Nothing, right? Tak ada kan? No. Continue. 29, 30. 29, 30. Anything? Wah, so fast 30 already. No, Continue. Pergi lagi. 31, 32. Sat. Tak keluar 33 pun. Macam mana kamu boleh tahu? 31, 32. 32, 32. Okay. 32. 32, very simple. 56. 12 girl. So girl 12. Boy equal to 44. Total 56. Okay, 37 boy withdraw. So minus 37. You left with 7 boy. Okay, and then if 37 withdraw means total also must minus lah. 37 tolak 19. So answer is 7 over 19 lah. Jawapan A. Probability boy. Kebarangkalian lelaki. So 7 lelaki bagi total lah 19. Apa susah? Settle. Guys, I think next time you guys must put a stopwatch for me. Kamu semua letak jam banding. Lepas tu bagi tahu berapa saat saya selesaikan satu soalan. Mungkin boleh masuk Guinness Book World of Record. Bukan World Record, Malaysia Record. Malaysia Record boleh. Malaysia Record can. I can try. 10 seconds also never reach. Wah, can lah, can compete tadi. Boleh compete dah. Can. I try and see. Okay, 33, 34. Nak bincang mana? Nak habis dah 5 soalan terakhir. Come on. 5 last questions. 33. Okay, locus lah. Okay, so for locus, this one I can go even faster. xt equal to 4. Okay, so they tell you this is 4. 4. So semua 4 lah. Segi 4. Okay, and then they tell you diameter. Radius. Radius of the sector is 6. Okay, ini adalah satu sector. Okay, the radius is 6. 6. Okay, so means that panjang ni 2. This one also 2. So now, xt equal to 4. xt equal to 4. Maksudnya yang ni. Betul? Yang biru tu. Or I use different color. green color, hijau. Xt equal to 4. Okay, sebab jarak dia selalu 4. All of it is 4. And then yp equal to 6. Yp equal to 6 maksudnya yang ni lah. This one. Okay, because the length equal to 6. Panjang dia 6. Can you see? So what's the answer? A lah. Settle. Senang tak guys? So simple lah. Come on. Habis. Answer A. That's all. Understand? Boleh faham? Wah, where got 53.49 second? You sure? That's very long, you know. Near 1 minute a day. I don't think so. I think it's faster. You time wrongly lah. Okay, continue. 35, 36. Anything? 35, 36. Ada apa-apa? Last 5 question. Come on. Kalau tak ada, saya proceed saja. 35. Okay, 35. You guys okay. Segitiga sama sisi. Isosceles 28. Find this angle 180 minus 28, 28. So you get how much? 124. Okay, and then this one how much? 180 minus 104. 56. 90. Tangent. X plus 90 plus 56. 180. Kira X kamu. So X equal to what? 34. Settle. Jawapan B. Easy or not, guys? Senang lah. X equal 34. That's all. Understand? Wow, okay lah, 30.19. 27.71. Okay, quite fast. Because I thought, guys, if I just write, you know, it will be faster. Kalau saya tulis saja sangat pantas. Okay, 37, 38. Ada apa-apa? Anything to ask? 37, 38. Don't have, Tak ada, Okay, continue lah. Okay, 39. 39 ada apa-apa? Yang ni senang lah, guys. Now my favorite question. Soalan 40. Nak habis dah. 40 nak bincang tak? I know you all will say no. Kamu semua pasti kata tidak. Okay, 40 ada tak? 40. 40. 40, anyone? Anyone? Tak ada, Okay, thank you very much. Terima kasih semua. So macam mana? Bermanfaat tak?